filime wibutsa isohoka rimwe mu myaka igihumbi. Umusobanuzi ni wa wundi uvuka byibura rimwe mu myaka 500. None nta n'imyaka 20 nduzuza. None wumva ukuntu nkibakoramo akazi, wumva ukuntu ngihari wese, ndetse ubu nta gahunda yo kongera kuba mwabura filime n'icyumweru kimwe, cyane ko gahunda ari dukora akazi. Yesu nanagaruka azasange turi mu murimo yadushinze. Ibaze Yesu amfashe ntasobanuye. Hey, dutangiye. Jamani man, bimeze bite? Manigizo. Nuko dutangiriye hehe? Tangiriye hano aho bategera za gari ya moshi z'ubwenge bahita Liege, ni mu Bubiligi. Dutangire filime mu Bubiligi. Bantu muri mu Bubiligi mamu nkurikiye, rega ndavuga bikagera hose ndabizi. Abantu banje nkurikiye muri mu Bubiligi. Dutangiriye 1. Umva tuje muri 6 turi mu nzira tuza. Alpha 4 repeat 4. Yicaye ku idirisha ndakumva Will Smith akarimo cyane. Gari ya moshi yagurutse, barakwereka umurashi babita ba sniper bamudahushwa ari hafi aho. Gari ya moshi iri mu nziriza, sniper arayicunze ngo dushaka kurasa. Yicaye ku idirisha. Bimeze bite? Sniper yicara hano arabanza atera imibare ye neza. Ba sniper bundi baba bafite imibare, arabanza akabara umuyaga akawupima, akarema umuvuduko uri kugenderaho, uwisasu rye rigenderaho, byose akabihuza. Katurori muri mbundi bifite ngo ku muvuduko isasu rusohokera rikagenda gutya, umuvuduko kangahe ku kilometero, ibyo byose birazwi. Rero bisaba imibare. Nanjiji iba sniper. Ariyo mpamvu natangiye filime nkubwira ngo bari abantu ubona barize wapi. None umuntu wese uzatinyuka kumvuga kandi usuzuma neza usanga ashaka kuvuga nkanjye no kumera nkanjye. Rega nazanye umwimerere n'umwihariko mu kazi, ndahumura. Mugabo ranza akora mu mbarutso. Bimeze bite? Umuvuduko muri ungana gute? 238 ibirometero 238 ku isaha. Mwana uyu mugezi wa nabi mu ndasere. Gari ya moshi iri mu nziriza. Ubanza kumenya umuvuduko gari ya moshi iri kugenderaho, ugapima n'uwisasu ryawe, bamubwiye ugomba kurasa. Bimeze bite? Nakwereka akana kari hano, n'akana k'agakobwa. Hari umusivile wivanze mu kazi. Yaragiye kurasa, yivanzemo umusivile. N'akana k'agasivile. Wumvisha ariko ng'agasivile karivanze, dore agasivile. Bari bagiye kurasa uyu mugabo, none akana karamwegereye. Bivuze ngo ushije uwo mugabo ushobora kwica akana gato. N'akana k'agasivile. Ibaze umugabo ushaka kurasa gari ya moshi iri ku muvuduko wa ibirometero 238 ku isaha. Fire! 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 Sasu ryinjiramo muri gari ya moshi. Ikimbunda ni Will Smith, amazina y'nyakuri.
We shipping to the same place?
Mane twakoze umuti.
Alright.
Kiza cyane.
That was your best ever.
Mane karaga kasasu warashe nakambere.
Where I hit him?
Namurashe
neck.
Mwijosi.
On a moving train.
Gari ya moshi iri kugenda manu ukarasa umuntu, ni ibintu bidasanzwe. Ibaze nawe imodoka yawe ugendeye mu ijana ubona warengeje cyangwa 120. Ibaze yarashe umuntu uri muri gari ya moshi igendera ku muvuduko wa 238 ku kilometero. Wumva ukuntu uwo musore abangutse mu kurasa. Uyakamenye. Henry we. Umwicanyi yitwa Henry.
The shooters whiffed on this guy before he got the call. All right, 4. All them studs.
Mane tworohereje abantu bagera muri 4 babicanyi barasa neza ngo bamurangize byaranze.
So, tear fail? Delete it.
Mane nagize emotion numva ngiye kurira bisibi iyo video. Sibi iyo video. Sore n'umwicanyi. Umugabo amaze kwica yaje gutwika ifoto ye. Ngo bamwise ngo ni Henry. Katurori. Nuko dutangiye filime yacu. Afite igipimo kidasanzwe. Arapima bikabije cyane. Umuntu urasa umwicanyi mu birometero agakurasira mu birometero uri ku muvuduko ungana n'ibirometero 238 ku kilometero. Ibaso umuntu burya bahumura. Yaje yakora ino. We yikorera akazi ko kwica abantu, kabona umuntu yibera ahantu atuje, najya avuga menshi, afite amafaranga, ahora ameze neza. Uzi ikintu akora? Waragenda karasa umuntu akamara hafi nk'amezi 8 cyangwa umwaka yimereye neza kirije mufungo we. Bamamagara ati genda wongere ukora umuti, akagenda agakora umuti nta gitima kibi. Bimeze bite?
Can't do this.
Bisi nabikora arwaje. Bimeze bite mufandi? Ya nuwaje kumusura n'umwicanyi. aba ahantu heza yaguze ahantu mu cyaro hameze neza wenyine.
Other lines of work, you can lose a step.
Hano hari waje kumusura aje kumureba.
We got best anyone's got.
Umvura cyaro wa mbere dufite.
Not a soda, not today.
Ntabwo nywa fanta uyu munsi.
Give me a beer.
Babyeri mwana.
Are you sure?
Babyeri.
Are you really retiring?
None se sugiye kwegura. Sasa uyu musore agiye kwegura mu bintu mu kazi yakoraga kuko urasaba. Musaza wa Muhabyeri.
A lot of guys can shoot, Del.
Ni benshi bazi ko basa nkanjye Del.
They aren't you. They don't have the history you did.
Ariko ntabwo bafite amateka nk'ayawe.
History might be the problem.
Amateka ntabwo yaba ikibazo cyane. Henry.
We've been through a lot together, you and me.
Njye nawe twanyuranye muri byinshi.
Safer.
Isi twayihaye umutekano.
You guy like I trust you.
Ntabwo nasana umusore mushyashya ngo mwizere nk'uko nkwizera. Umugabo agiye kwigura mu kazi. Ariko bari kumubwira ati ntabwo twabona umuntu uhwanye nawe. Akuriya neguye mu kazi ntabwo mwabona umuntu uhwanye nanjye. Nyine yaza yakora akazi ariko ntabwo yaba ahwanye nanjye.
6 inches off. She's dead. You understand?
Ati umugabo narashiye umunsi yonza guhushaho gato umwana wari muri ruhande kuba yapfuye.
I got lucky.
Namahirwe nagize.
I didn't feel the shot.
Ntago nigeze nimvamo ko namurashe ku bushake.
Could have.
Uko bisanzwe.
72 kills, Del.
Maze kwica abantu 72.
Shit starts to mess with you a little bit.
Bira bintu bitangira kuzenguruka mu mutwe.
Deep down it's like
imbere muri wewe uba wumva.
My soul is.
Bano umva ubugingo bwanjye buri kubabara.
I just want some peace.
Nkeneye amahoro. Arashaka kwegura mu kazi yakoraga.
So what do I do now?
None nkora iki none hano?
Wish me well.
Nyifuriza ibyiza nyine ndeguye nge kubaho ubuzima busanzwe. Arashaka kuva muri kano kazi ko kwirirwa arasa abantu. Gusa baramubwiye ati ntago twabona umuntu wagusimba nta wanye nawe. Ibyo bintu mukwiye kubyemera bibaho. Ko umuntu ava mu kintu akaba nta wanye nawe. Hey. Fayo.
Morning.
Ngaramutse.
Hey, where's Jerry?
Jerry ari he?
We're tired.
Jerry yeguye.
Any more of this bus?
Bisa nkaho yarasanzwe aza hano ariko ngo umusore wakoraga yeguye.
Hey, Henry.
Je banyita Henry.
Are you 23, 40?
Nabishyura amadolari 23. Baramugarurira.
So what are you fishing for?
Ugiye kuroba iki?
Peace and quiet.
Aje gufata ubwato ngiye kuroba amahoro n'umutuzo.
Ni Features Point?
Oh, is that what you recommend?
It seems like a nice enough day for it.
Abone ivubi. Ivubi bararyica. Ivubi ry'abandi araryica.
Not much of a live and let live guy, I take it.
Oh, deathly allergic to bees.
Mani ngira allergie yindi ishobora kunyica ivubi rindiye. Ibyo ni ibintu bibaho. Uyu musore ngo ivubi rimuri yashobora no gupfa. Agira allergie y'ivubi.
UGA Darian.
Go Dogs.
Well, you be careful around here. There's
witondere na
dogs out on these docks.
Hano habari imbwa nyinshi ki.
Nothing I can't handle.
Ye nta kintu ntakwitaho wana. Tururi. Yeah. Nuko dutangiye filime yacu. Umusore yeguye mu kazi. Ntashaka gukomeza kano kazi. Haraho yaje.
Yes, I don't have to ask how business is.
Urabizi ntago ari ngombwa ngo baze business imeze ite. Yaje gusura umukire ni ikigabo cy'igisaza kibereye ku mazi mu bwato bwacyo. Ntabwo ujye ubona Sirey Queen posting amafoto ziri ku bwato. Bari babona posting nyiri ubwato dore ni ibi bisaza.
What are you doing now? Feeling sexy?
Yaje gusura umugabo n'umusaza webereye hano ku bwato.
So quickly.
Wakoze kwitubanguka.
You still married?
Harya uracyafite umugore?
Wife's on a shopping trip to Paris.
Umugore wanjye bagiye gushoping i Paris.
In boarding school.
Umwana wanjye ari muri segondere aba muri interina.
No wife, no kids.
Bivuze ubu nta mugore ufite nta n'umwana.
It's the next war, which is no war.
Reka tumwemo kubw'intambara y'ubutaha idahari. Ibaza ariko. Tumwemo kubw'intambara izakurikira kandi idahari.
So what you got?
Ufite iki? Byaje kumwereka. Erika musaza yarashikari.
Recognize him?
Uramwibuka?
Who's asking?
Ninde ubimbaza?
Your old friend is afraid you're in trouble.
Ni inshuti yawe yakera ikeka kuri mu bibazo. Uramwibuka uyu mugabo yamurashe?
I AMF'd him in Liège.
I tell you,
Namwishe.
Valery Dormov.
Bamwita Valery Dormov. Ni ikihe? Oya.
Valery Dormov, molecular biology.
Ni Valery Dormov uriya mugabo wishe yari umuntu wize ibintu bya biology.
30 years.
Yakoreye leta ya Amerika imyaka 30.
I read his file.
Nasomye amadosiye ye.
Terrorist.
Ni bioterrorist.
I was spiked.
Ayo madosiye bagoye barakubeshye. Sinzi umuntu wakubeshye wari kubera iki.
I don't know that either.
Nanjye ntago mbizi.
Where are you getting this from?
None se bino babikuye?
A friend.
Ku nshuti yanjye.
From the other side.
ituruka ku rundi ruhande.
To talk to him.
Nkeneye kuvugana nawe
Skype.
kuri Skype, FaceTime cyangwa ni uburyo uvugana n'umuntu
To
murebana.
him, Jack.
Ndashaka guhura nawe, vugane nawe.
Now what the hell?
Sasa uyu musore akorera leta ya Amerika, bamwohereza kwica abagizi ba nabi. We yarazi ko wa mugabo twatangiye filime arasira muri gari ya moshi ari ikihebe, batangiye kumbwira ngo uriya mugabo ntago ari ikihebe, bakubeshye.
I just want you to be careful.
Ndagira ngo wirinde, itonde. Kureba umugabo ari mu bwato ari kumwe na Sirey Queen, buri Sirey Queen iri kurya selfie ze gupostinga bakange. Riano
Make up for all things I didn't do in my DIA years.
Mba ndi gukora ibintu nigeze nkora muri ya myaka nakoreraga DIA.
Didn't do that in your DIA.
Urakeka iriya myaka ibyo uri gukora ntabwo yabikoze muri DIA, ni ikigo bakorera cya leta ya Amerika. Ibyo atakoze nuko ari kumwe na Sirey. Sasa yari hano kureba mu kirere yabonye akantu gasa nka kaka. Kumbe hano harabari kubumviriza. Bamwita Valery Dormov. Ikiyebe oya. Valery Dormov ni umuntu wize ibintu bya biology n'ibyo akoramo cyerekeranye n'umubiri wacu. Bano barabyumva.
Took a real risk contacting me.
Bisa nkaho yishyize mu kangaratete kuza kuvugana nanjye.
Supposed to do?
None ari gukora iki?
Love you, brother.
Ndagukunda muvandi. Gusa umusore wamubwiye ikintu atarazi. Nimba akorera DIA akaba ari ikigo gishinzwe umutekano wa Amerika.
It's a pity.
Birababaje.
I always liked Henry.
Uriya musore Henry namukundaga.
Clay.
Henry ni uwacu muri DIA.
Suppose you lied to him.
Yamenye ko twamubeshye, baramubeshye ngo ajye kwica umugabo ni ikihebe kandi umugabo si ikihebe. Ibaze leta ikubwiye ngo ujya kwicira umuntu ni ikihebe ukaza kuvumbura ko umuntu atari ikihebe.
He has Dormov's contact.
Afite uburyo avuganamo na Dormov.
That thread until he's pointing a gun at our faces.
Va bidatinze uriya musore Henry ashobora kuza kudutunga imbunda mu maso.
Bald guy.
Patterson, he won't be happy, but he won't cross me. He'll fall in line.
I'll tie this off.
Bindaza kubirangiza.
Look like a Russian up.
You'll do nothing.
Henry ngiye kumwica bise nkaho
On Rogue, I can
ari
handle.
abarusiya babikoze ndagira ngo mve filime. Uriya musore kubera amaze kumenya ukuri babibonye aho akorera leta ya Amerika, batangiye kuba tura musore amenye ko twamutumye kwica umuntu utari ikiyebe, barashaka kumwica ngo bigaragare ko ari ibyiye by'abarusiya byamurangije.
I do.
Genda byikorera.
We'll clean up our own messes, thank you.
Oya ibibazo byacu turaza kubyanagurira.
That we've worked for is at stake thanks to you.
Ibyo twakoreye byose twaruye biri mu kangaratete kubera gutsindwa kwawe.
Please.
Ndakwinginze.
Surprise me.
Ntungura byibura bwa mbere uriya musore umwice. Henry ngo barashaka kumwica. Yamenye ukuri. Yamenye ko yishe umuntu utari ikihebe. Urumva ashobora kubateza ingaru, urumva ko banamutinya. Nimba avuga turiya musore nimba koko musore yaje hano biramucanga. Gute ikigo nkorera gishinzwe ubutasi cyase gishinzwe kurwanya iterabwoba muri Amerika cyaba cyambeshye. Turore nabo bagize ubwoba baravuza turiya musore ubwo amenye ukuri ko twamutumye kwica umuntu w'inzira karengane utari ikihebe ashobora kutumerera nabi kandi agiye kwegura. Dore nguyu kureba mu bwato yararimo bamuteze n'agakurura amajwi, ibyo yavugaga byose babyumvaga, arabibona ko bamuhagurukiye. Aza yakodesheje ubwato ni umukobwa mushyashya waje kuhakora.
Good luck.
Ageze amahirwe yo kuroba, yari yagiye kuroba amuhereza agatsinga. Okay.
Most guys try flowers or
Abandi bahungu baduha indabyo.
they'll find romantic.
Ibintu biromantic. Nawe ukora DIA.
That depends. What's DIA?
Byaterwa na DIA cyari cyo.
Instructors of America.
Ni ikigo cyigisha kubyina reka bari kumvuga.
You to surveil me.
Peterson wakohereje.
Patterson.
Patterson.
Derry Patterson wakohereje.
He was just here. Look, you're burned.
Umva nagufasha. Nimba waje kuneka.
Okay, well, I was just in the middle of a Marvin Gaye song, so I'm gonna go back to
Barende kumva indirimbo bundetse.
On the Darien campus.
Aho icyo kigo wambwiye wigamo mbwira inyubako eshatu zirimo.
Marine biologist.
Wiga ngo uri marine biologist.
It's Hall, McWhorter Hall.
Amubwira inyubako eshatu ziyagize.
CIA.
Uri umukozi wa leta.
Told me to piss off.
Iyo uza kuba umuntu usanzwe nkakubaza ikigo wigamo ari kwita umbwira ngo ndakwiyamye.
Good. You're good. Where do you live?
Utuye he? Kwiki?
No, I want to see your place.
Ndashaka kubona ahantu utuye.
Excuse me?
Waketse ko uyu mukobwa ari wohereje ngo muneke.
Find a single book on marine biology.
Nta gitabo na kimwe hano ufite cyerekana ibintu bya marine biologist.
Over on Henry Brogan. Excuse me?
Ntabwo waza kuneka Henry Brogan. Uyitwa Henry
Job.
Brogan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got
Bakire abandi bavaye.
all right. Need
Okay.
some gas, and I'm gonna need
Sir,
Uretse nyakubahwa.
I'm sorry.
Babarire.
Can I buy you a drink?
Nkugurira icyo kunywa se basi rijoro.
Why? So you can keep interrogating me?
Kugira ngo ukomeze umate ibibazo.
Probably going to spend the whole time.
Oya ningusohokana ndamara ijoro ryose ngusaba imbabazi.
Point. Sunday nights, they have a great band.
Umva hari ahantu nzi bita kuri Pelikani baba bafite bandi icuranga neza cya uzi igisope cyawo. Hey.
7.
I'm gonna also need a 12-volt bill.
Dore saa moya.
All right, I'll see you at 7.
Okay, dore saa moya.
Leave the crazy at home, please.
Ubwo busazi bwawe busige mu rugo ariko. mukobwa barakwereka muri uwo mugoroba umusore yaje azanye n'indabyo gatururi iribanje gukeka uyu mukobwa ngo bamutumye ngo aze kumuneka mwakire mubyeyi bare ku byabaye kare ni kamere yanjye sinye mpfa kwizera abantu nawe ntabwo bizera ndabizi
Why would you say that?
niki cyatuma uvuga gutyo amwereka ibyangombwa bye nakumenye kuri maneko bya DIA yamufumbuye umukobwa ni maneko bari bamwereka
Get that.
wabikuye he
25 years of faithful service, you make some friends.
iyo umaze imyaka 25 mu kazi uba ufite inshuti mu kazi inshuti zo muri DIA nanjye nibo nakoreraga bampaye amakuru yawe Patterson ni ukuyobora
Here y'all go.
basanira byeri bamwe batazabimbwa
Thank you.
You're welcome.
murakoze gushimira
Boilermaker's a cop drink. You got cops in your family?
My dad
ese gute waje muri kano kazi umuryango wanyu harimo
are pretty serving your country.
papa wanjye nanone yari wa FBI
Yes.
Yeah, he died off duty, trying to stop a bank robbery.
wanjye yapfiriye mu kazi ari kugerageza guhagarika ubujura bwa banki
File says you were 4 years Navy, 5th Fleet, Bahrain.
Yeah.
gaturore
Wouldn't love being stuck in a tin can with a couple hundred sailors, though.
hano baraganira bamaze kumenya ko bose bakorera ikigo kimwe icyo kigo cyari cyatumye umukobwa kuneka uyu musore
So then DIA, Defense Clandestine Services, recruiting, running assets. Not a single demerit.
wese mukobwa ute bakoreje muri kano kazi kandi muri usa nk'utagakwiye
What sticks you on a dock to watch a guy who just wants to retire?
gute bakoreza kuneka umusore nkanjye ugiye kwegura ubundi
Well, this is adios, Henry.
hano nongeye gusezerera
I'll probably be sent somewhere else tomorrow.
ejo bashobora kunyohereza ahandi ubwo yo wamvumbuye
Apartment's just right over there. Henry, why are you retiring?
Henry kuki ugiye kwegura mu kazi
Finding myself avoiding mirrors lately.
maze iminsi nashaka kwireba mu ndorerwamo niyo mpamvu nyine iyo utangiye gusaza ntabwo uba ugikeneye kwireba mu ndorerwamo
6 out there.
ibyo birabaye uze kwicunga ndicunga
Night toast.
turore so nambwiye ati mpamvu nshaka kwegura maze iminsi nashaka kwireba mu ndorerwamo ubwo nyine amaze kuzana imvi y'utuntu tw'iminkanyari ntabwo ari ngombwa mirwari
You should come look at the stars.
tugarure kuri ya Slay Queen yasohokanye na wa musaza mu bwato baje kareba inyenyeri musaza agiye kumva imva Slay Queen basohokanye ntiri kuvuga ni Agaslay yakuye ahantu Slay twasohokanye kitari kuvuga iri kwirya selfie zo gupostinga ngo ikanga aba adversaire kugira no nyuma hey nyuma bicanye ze baraniga tururi muzehe nawe baramwica muzehe na ya Slay Queen barabishe banaga mu mazi bimeze bite tururi uko byagenze hakurino tugomba gukora ku migeri yawe Henry ikosantare umwana afite imyaka 5 urugero ugerageze hano urababwiraga ati Henry subira mu mazi yeah basubizaga mu mazi bamubwira tugomba koga ukamera neza yeah kumbuye nibyo yarotaga kiri umwana bamubwira ati Henry ujya koga bakamurohamisha akurino usura no mu rugo hari cyo yumvishe hari cyo yikanze ari mu rugo gatururi ari mu rugo hari cyo yikanze ahita amanuka mu ndaki inyubako ifite akantu k'indaki hasi vayo kura y'imbunda afite igikapu kiba cyuzuye imbunda n'umwicanyi yakoreraga DIA ariko yica abagizi ba nabi gusa mbega akorera leta ese amagarano wa musore twatangiwe
Please tell me this means we're back in business.
bwira ko tugiye gusubira mu kazi uri he
After some goddamn surveillance.
mane ndi gucunga
Do not go home. Do not go to your girl's house.
Nuji wanyu nuje no kwa sheri wawe. Jya gukata amatike kandi wishyure cash.
She knows you.
Nukoresha ikarita ya ATM.
They're outside my window. I'm sorry.
Bari hanze idirisha ryanjye.
Come on, man, I'll be fine.
Bandamira neza.
You don't.
Wamagare gute numamagare. Nugire umuntu wamagara. Cyane cyane wo muri DIA.
Now.
Come on, Henry.
Telefone yawe yishugunye. Yumva isasu. Marino yari kwamagara umusore bakoranaga Marino mubusa kugira umuntu amagara ngo yigengesere bahise bamurasa. Marino bahise bamurasa. Kumbe duri yatatswe. Wibuke bavuze ngo uyu musore bamwice. Bamaze kumenya ko yafumbuye ko bamutumye kwica umuntu kandi umuntu ari inzira karengane. Atari ikihebe. Ni umusore ukorera leta. Agiye no kwegura. Yeah. Kurasira abagabo. Mbega ko nino wa mukobwa kare bahuyana aryamye.
It's not gun time.
Nagara amasaha y'imbunda.
Coffee time.
Na amasaha y'ikawa.
Do you have a burn bag?
First tell me what you're doing here.
Banza umbwire icyo ukora hano.
He just sent a team to kill me.
Hari abantu baresha ikipe ngo inyice.
And you're still asleep.
Kandi yo kugisinziriye.
Means you didn't know about it.
Bivuze ngo ntabwo wari ubizi, sibyo?
Of course not, I would have told you.
Iyo mbabizi niko nakubwiye. Muko.
That means you're next.
Bivuze ngo nawe baragukurikiza bari bukwice.
Dressed.
Ambara. Bagambaniwe.
All boats have Duke keys in the office, right?
Harya ubwato bwanyu bugira imfunguzo hamwe mu bubika. Tatinze ugomba kuza gushaka imfunguzo bakavana baturiye amazi. Bimeze bite? Kobwa zano tarajya kusi baramufata.
Where is he?
Ari hehe? Mukobwa baramufasha. Bwira. Kobwa indwanyi. Ndwanyi barakikira mu nyubako mindani.
You can tell me now, or you can tell me 5 minutes, man.
Kira none cyangwa se umbwire nyuma y'iminota 5 maze gukuramo amenyo. Gatoroye. Bararwana. Igikobwa imukobwa nakora DIA. Yari yaje kuneka umusore ariko reba arashaka kumurangiza. Bimeze bite? Hey. Naba DIA. Ngimbere.
I counted 3. How many did you bring?
Wasanye bangaye. Kobwa. Nige kigabo. Sasu wapi? Wapi? Bari kunenga mu nyubako tutangiye filime yacu. Kobwa nige kigabo. Aragifuta. Hey. Yeah.
Who sent you?
Ndakohereje.
You can tell me now or you can tell me in 5 minutes. Minus your teeth.
Kira none cyangwa unsubize nyuma y'iminota 5 maze gukuramo amenyo 5. Biyaje. Nari hafaho. Ese biti. Ese neza.
It's Lassiter.
Lassiter niwe wohereje bano bagabo ni wa mugore twatangiranye. Niwe wohereje abicanyi. Ni wa DIA. Hari igihe umenya amakuru menshi ukaba wayazira. Umusore ugiye kwegura mu kazi arazira ko yamenye ko umuntu wa nyuma yarashe atarakwiye gupfa.
You've ever known. Do you understand that?
Wa mukobwa nimba tugiye kujyana uribagirwa abantu bose ukunda n'ibyo witagaho byose. Ducikane. Umukobwa afata telefone ye ayijugunya mu mazi. Buri iyo bagiye kugukurikirana niyo telefone igendanira katsindwa.
Never had anybody try to kill me before.
Ntabwo nigeze ngira umuntu ugerageza kunyicana mbere.
What scares you? Other than bees.
Niki gutera ubwoba usibye ivubi? Kurohama. Uyu musore atavuyemo ivubi, harya ni ivubi. Avuyemo amavubi bees. Ikindi kintu kimutera ubwoba ni drowning, kurohama. Bimeze bite? Nuko dutangiye filime yacu. Wumva ni ngombwa. Baranzino. Ndahumura. Nano agasobanuye ni Rocky. Na Rocky na agasobanuye. Ubwo kabaye kanari baye gashakira irindi zina ritari iryo. Ubwo ni magendo. Hako nino. Abatumye abicanyi.
Cleaning up your own mess.
Ese ni gutya muhanagura amakosa yanyu ni Leicester.
Watching that number crash into the Titanic.
Meze nk'umuntu uri kureba cyakiwe kiri kurohamisha Titanic cyase Titanic.
Soldier. When they're young and stupid, they believe anything you tell them. Then they get older, they wear out, grow a conscience. This is why we need a new breed of soldier.
Uriya musore ameze nk'abasirikare bakiri bato, ubabwira ikintu bakagikora. Atariko iyo bamaze gukora bagira umutima nama bakagira n'ubwoba bakica akazi. Ati niyo mpamvu dukeneye amaraso mashyashya. Niko yivugiye ntago ari nje bivuze.
A little rogue project.
uriya musore tugiye kumwica tubeshye ko yari yamaze kuba ikihe nako yishwe n'ibyihebe maze Henry namara gupfa tumushyingure neza turase mu kirere amasasu 21 kugira ngo tumushyingure mu cyubahiro tuzamwibuke nk'intwari ubuzima bukomeze bagiye kumwica abasore nka Henry tuba tubabona nk'abantu baduteza ibibazo isaha n'isaha umusore bagiye kumwica bagaragaze ko yapfiriye mu kazi yishwe n'abagizi ba nabi bamushyingurana icyubahiro yari umusirikare wa leta wa wundi batuma kuri misiyo zihambaye cyane ari hano ari kumwe n'umukobwa bacikanye yamaze kumenya ukuri uyu musore amaze gukura umusirikare yamaze gukura ngatangira kugira umutima nama ibyo bamubwiye ntahita apfa kubikora ahubwo agatangira gutekereza byinshi akagira n'ubwoba afite ubwenge bwinshi ngo ariko iyo akiri muto bamubwira ikintu akabivuga ati yesa agahita ajya kugikora uyu musore ngo nicyo agiye kuzira kuko yamaze kumenya ko umuntu yishe bamutumye kwica ntabwo yari umugizi wa nabi
99% sure he was lying.
bari hano baraganira n'uwo mukobwa
Henry, has this ever happened to you before?
ese ibintu nk'ibi byigeze kuba mbere
Your own government trying to kill you?
leta ukorera igashaka kukwica wapi
Nah, that's new.
shani bishyashya pe
You've been agency a while, and can't you guess what this is all about?
umaze igihe muri agency wakeka impamvu ashaka kwicara iyihe
Lovely vacation with you.
iyo mba nzi impamvu ntabwo nakabaye ndi hano ndi kumwe nawe muri vacances
When I'm head of the agency, we're going to handle retirement very differently.
njye buryo nari nzi ko leta abantu iyo beguye bakira neza kurusha ntabwo nari nzi ko ujya kwegura bagatangira gushaka kukwica ni umusore yamenye ukuri ese kuki bashaka kumwica bimeze bite buri munsi wo kwegura barakwereka bicaye ahantu hari indege yaje yasatira bimeze bite iniga yangije kumfata mani iji muri ibibazo byose wageramo ufite iji wabwira ati iji ndi hakuno kora umuti cyane cyane yajima musangira fanta nyine zo musangira byeri sinzi ariko yimwe ya fanta ngiye niyo nzi nk'umuntu ukijijwe
Danny, meet the Baron, middle-aged reprobate and best pilot I've ever known. Danny, Baron.
Hey, Toast. Got your burners as requested. For now, you can hole up in my place in Cartagena.
Basha Kurino.
This is safe.
Yeah, we're kind of in the shit here, man. I think Jack is dead.
Ndakeka Jack yapfuye. Umwe yamuhaye amakuru bari mu bwato. Yesu Kristo.
Anyone follow you? They will. Let's go. Can I have one of those crackers?
Sure.
Thanks.
Yeah. Hey! Bafashe indege. Bave hano berekere.
Does he do this at home?
I don't.
Birajya bikora mu rugo ya. Bini wa mugabo.
If it's inappropriate
Mwita Peterson.
sort of thing at home, why would you think it's appropriate?
Ibintu udakora mu rugo kuki bikorera mu ishuri.
Oh no, probably because science is so wicked.
Erega impamvu bikorera ku ishuri siyansi labowa.
You're going 100 miles an hour.
Allo.
You really didn't want me to retire.
Henry, you're up.
Ntabwo mwashaka ko negura.
God!
Uracyari muzima Imana ishimwe.
Is Marino dead?
Marino yapfuye?
Yes.
Yego yapfuye. Wa musore.
Jack Willis.
Jack Willis umwe uri mu bwato. We na Slay.
I swear it.
Trust.
Agari njye abikoze nyizera.
Can. Let me call you on another line.
604.
Bindi nimero naguhamagara muha nimero bari bumuhamagareho.
Got 30 seconds.
Waye amasegonda 30 maze kumuhamagara. Uyu ni umubyeyi bamutumye ku ishuri umunyeshuri bamutuma umubyeyi.
Hey, excuse me.
Buko.
Could I borrow your phone for 5 minutes if I give you like $100?
Niza telefone yawe nyivugireho. Minota 5 ndagwa amadolari 100.
Start with who's
Abarayagura indi phone.
to Agent Zakaruski's apartment. Was that necessary?
Also not my call. She's working for the Inspector
General, not me. Is she with you?
Umva bira byose byabaye nagari njye wabiteye nundi bari gukorera ni General.
Not something I want to say over the phone.
Ibintu byose biri hasi ntago nabikubwira kuri telefone ndi ku ishuri.
What is all with this?
Bini biki?
We have a problem.
Dufite ikibazo. Gemini.
Your old friend.
Working with Janet Lassiter and her people.
Inshuti yakorana na Leslie kandi sinabahagarika ba Gemini bafite umushinga wa Gemini.
Dormov.
No se Dormov.
Did he have something to do with Gemini?
Dormov yakoranaga na Gemini.
Dormov, the guy that you had me pop on the train because you said he was a Russian.
Dormov wa musore mwambwiye ngo ni ikibe cy'ikirusenga murasira muri gari ya moshi.
Once upon a time.
Yakoranaga na Gemini yigeze gukorana nayo.
So you got me pulling triggers for Clay Vera.
Bivuze ngo narashe umuntu murashe kubera afitanye ikibazo na Clay Valis.
Listen.
How many other times you do this to me, Del?
deri nizijyari mwigeze mutuma nkora ibi bintu nk'ica inzirakarengane.
Send me off to AMF somebody who didn't deserve it.
Never, ever. This was a one-off. I swear on my son's life.
N'ubwa mbere ndarahira ku buzima bw'umwana wanjye twatumye wica umuntu w'inzirakarengane.
All right, look. Zakaruski is not a part of this.
Agent Zakaruski, uyu mukobwa turi kumwe ntago abirimo.
But I need both of you to come back.
Mwembi abiri ndabakeneye mugaruke.
So what, Del?
Kubera iki? Aramukupa.
Okay.
Amenye ko bamukoresheje bica umugabo w'inzirakarengane wakoranye n'umushinga bita Gemini.
Owned by Clay Varys.
Wabitewe wese ngo ni Clay Varys niwe wabitumye.
Brian and I served under Varys in the Marines.
Baron nanjye twakoranye dukorera Varys.
After he left the military, he started Gemini.
Tukiva mu gisirikare yatangije umushinga witwa Gemini.
Was smart enough to move 1500.
Yene yese njya kure cyane.
Yeah. I blew that one.
Tururi. Bahise bafata inzira barerekera. Bamenye ko wabitewe watumye bica umuntu w'inzirakarengane ari witwa Clay Varys. Yabicishije umuntu witwa Domirov. Ari Dorimov. Hafa ni Doromov. Yeah. Baje yitwa Cartagena ni muri Colombia. No bahise baza guhungira.
It's billions of dollars a year to take out targets any way he sees fit.
Uriya mugabo ujya utuma kwica abantu Clay yinjiza amamiliyari kubera kujya kudutuma ngo twice umuntu aho yaba ari hose.
They're who you call when you need 12 Saudi princes to...
Badutuma muri kakazi usanga bakubwiye ngo genda uburisha ibikomangoma 12 byo muri Saudi Arabia tukagenda tukabirasa tukabyica ntihazagire umenya irengero ryabyo.
Sniper school. Clay Varys takes me out on this boat about 5 miles. Ties these weights to my ankles.
Uwo mugabo yajyaga mfata kera akanjugunya amazi yanziritse nka ruhama. Ni Clay.
About your fear
Of course he did.
Yarasi kutinya amazi yego.
So what did you do?
Wakoraga ikiyakunaze mu mazi ukiri muto. Witwa Clay.
I tread water for as long as I could.
Narwanaga n'amazi ko nshoboye.
And then I drowned.
Nkaruhama. Ariko ibuka imyitozo bamukoresheje abaga barimo kuruhama.
They fished me out.
Yarangiza akankura mu mazi.
Told me I was now ready to serve.
Akambwira ngo ubu niteguye none kuba nakurikiza amategeko ya gisirikare. Gasani. Iyo myitozo imwe mu myitozo yahawe. Tunywemo sha tutazabimbwa. Rwa rusaza bari kumwe. Rwa Gabi rwo kubikere.
Which is no war.
Tunywemo kubwindi nambara y'ubutaha kandi iyo nambara idahari. Ibaza ariko.
Right now we can use some shut-eye.
Sure.
Cyasi itari intambara.
1 room or...
Two.
Bashakira ibyumba bibiri cyangwa urara mu cyumba kimwe bibiri. Shaka ibyumba bibiri.
Yeah, I can put him in the garage.
Ariko bishatse namurarisha no mu igaraje.
Rooms will be fine.
Oya dushakira ibyumba bibiri. Ni Gabi wo kubikeri yabacumbikiye. Gabi yaje kwirebera match. Axel Rugangura bafite umudomo hano uriya mwana rogeza mbega umunwa. Hehe. Muze. Gabi. Iryamye hano. Cyo yumvishe. Nta mukomando usinzira. Nta musirikare usinzira. Hari cyo yumvishe amasaha yo mu rucerera. Hari uwo yabonye. Nta musirikare usinzira. Umwana avayo. Hey! Nibikapu arara nibikapu hafaho. Hari cyo yumvishe naho yaraye ni Cartagena. Abanza arambara arikwiza avayo. Cicika. Ikibazo cyabo.
Rooftop.
Batwoherereje sniper ari ku rusenge.
You to go with Baron someplace safe.
Wegenda ure Baron mushaka hano mujya sniper ndagira ngo akuri kirenge. Umusore. We.
Shooter.
Hari umurashi ku rusenge.
You're a shitty house guest, you know that. How the hell did they find us?
Bamenye go toturi.
She's really good. She just doesn't know what she doesn't know.
Uriya mukobwa uze kumwitona umuhanga nubwo afite umuhanga ntagazi kafite ubwo buhanga. Dore umurashi hejuru y'inzu. Dore umurashi. Umusore no wafayo. Yamaze kumenya ko bamwerereje umurashi. Ni umuhanga cyane. Kano kaza gakoze imyaka. Umwana yaje mu kaza bibona ko bamwerereje umwana. Avayo. Bamwerereje umurashi. Kuri bano mu mazi ari kugenda areba umurashi hejuru y'inzu. Aramubanza. Hero siransi. Aramubanza. Simba mwana. Murashi gushyira mu gipimo wapi. Fire. Hey. Murashi. Mwana arariba. Nako ni umusaza. Kureba. Sasu. Uragato. Sasu. Mbese biti. Cho. Hey. Achaho. Bamutumye w'umwicanyi. Bimeze biti. Yitsimbana. Gabagira cya. Kana gakenyereraho kure y'isambunda ndende bamutumyeho umwicanyi bimeze biti hey kureba hano ku rusenge ariko uriya mwicanyi ari banza aramupima neza kureba umwicanyi bamwoherereje barasa fotokopiye usibye ko wamurusha imyaka umugabo yikangamo uraze kujya kurasa umuntu ugasanga murasa uyu yikangamo faya hey umuntu bamwoherereje kumwica barasa mbega ni nkuko wabona wowe ufite imyaka nka 30 cyangwa 50 ukabona bakoresha umwana wa 19 ariko usa nkaho ari weho wagira ngo nawe ugifite iyo myaka umugabo azamukana atinya no kurasa uwo mwicanyi basa bimeze bite faya hey sasu nawe baramura barahana bose na he wohereza ka grenade bimeze bite yeah mwicanyi tururi
Stop right there!
hagarara huri
Who are you?
urinde
I don't want to shoot you!
sinshaka kurasa
Fine.
sawa mwicanyi
Don't shoot me.
ntundase
Mind if I shoot you?
ariko ngenda kurasa
I could have killed you on the roof.
nari kubona kwicaye ku rusenge
Maybe you should have.
wari kuba wanyishe nyine
Did I show you a picture of me?
bigeze bakwereka ifoto yanjye
Yeah, you look old.
narayibonye ifoto yawe ariko wowe urashaje njye ndi muto nyagasani yarumirwa
You take one step closer.
wongera gutera indi ntambwe unyegera
Leave me no choice.
nta mahitamo uri buze kuba umpaye ndakumena aramumena grenade umwana arayirasa subira hejuru umwana arabangutse faya mu nyubako katurore sasu yeah sasu mu nyubako uyavayo asa hano abaturage bamubonye bamanika amaboko bamutumyeho umwicanyi usa nkawe ni fotokopiye abazi Will Smith kera muri za 90 akiri umuraperi neza niwe mwana bamutumyeho kandi bamaze gukura sasu barika abi muri muvesari hey maze gusaza bamutumyeho umwana usa nkawe wagira ngo ni wakiri muto gasani mugabo arababaye manutse nabi manukana wamukurikira cyari toresora arabangutse cyane vayo merisi yo moto mwambura moto zana moto yacu turamwicanyi turare yatangira moto ureba byiza kumenya utunyabiziga twose ugeze mu bibazo kagutabara hey ngo wapi ngo ngese ko mfite agura imodoka ndi umumotari na moto ugomba kuba uyizi n'ubwato bwo kurasa yo koga twa tuntu twibanze katanu umwana sinzi azingira moto hano yakurikiwe ariko ufitemo n'ubwoba sasu hey mwana yaje umukurikiye niwe muto barasa neza nimba ari umwana yabyaye mu gasozi sinzi ca hejuru aramugigiza hey uya katanu yakurikiwe bimeze bite turi Cartagena muri Colombia na Amerika hepfo amasasu barabana bose ni babi cyane ngira gutya amushugunyira moto faya dore umwana ukuntu abangutse kiki dore uje ukuntu abangutse hey fata moto hano aramukurikira uje abangutse cyane tururi aramukurikira faya hey uje arabangutse be aracyari muto ariko barasa ifotokopi yari hano yakurikiwe inyuma ye hey umwana bimeze biti katurore umujyi hagati Cartagena Yeah. Fire. Yakurikiwe. Hey. Sasu imodoka arabanza irasipine ibura uburinganire umwana ariko acaho umwana acaho uwamukurikiye arabangutse cyane ariko nta n'umwe wagaya sinzi faya. Yeah. Sasaranga bimeze bite? Yeah. Hey. Bano bari kubireba byose biri kuba. Motari yamukurikiye buretse motari babiri wapi mwana amukoza ipi yuguyu arasigara mwana murusha tekinike ngungonge yamaze gusaza mwana bohereje ni fotokopiye kora cyane mudodo umwana yikaraga mutera ipine jido ya moto dore imana y'abamotari. Hey singa moto uragato ugonge nawe ni mubi cyane. Hey turori vayo gongo mugabo biranga barasa Will Smith muto vayo wapi gasani yavayo muhagarare guhagarika imodoka motari ari hano ni mubi cyane vayo ushugunyira moto yarakwepa wapi sinzi mwicanye kure y'icyuma umusore benda gusa neza polisi vayo yukureba umwicanye aramubura asigara ingofero y'umwicanye nuva huri shyira ku modoka bano barareba uyarafashwe umwicanye aburiwe irengero. Sasu yaje gutora ingofero y'umwicanye ataye ingofero hano biriya ni ibiki banyarwanda. Yeah. Tugaruke kuri polisi aho bamufungiye nawe byamucanze uriya mwicanye dusa undusha kubanguka uvunira mu bavi Brogan baje kumuhamagara Brogan mukoreyo ni pingu Brogan shyira mu modoka twerekere. Murakoze
no problem. Your place is burned. Give me some work and see him coming.
Mva ni wawe rero harangiye ntago twasubira kandi hano nabasha kuba meze neza.
She thought the diplomatic approach made more sense.
Sasa baje no kubiganiraho ibyabaye.
Great work in there.
Ariko mwakoze umuti ko nkuragereza afata chance bagiye kumucikisha bigize abayobozi. Tujya Budapest.
Jack's informant.
Hariyo umuntu waga makuru Jack ni wa musaza twabonye barasira mu bwato ariko mwina Slay Queen.
They're coming after me because they think Jack told me something classic.
Impamvu bari komiga nuko bazi ko Jack hari ikintu kizima yambwiye.
I'm sorry, Pop.
Cyerekeranye n'itwa Yuri kandi koko niko byagenze umusore baramwumvirisha agiye kwegura. Ari mu bwato bamubwira turi muntu wishe ntago yari ikiyebe.
Wow. Taking someone's Gulfstream? I mean, you'd really have to love a guy to do that. I know just the fella. Give me a...
Bakenze umuntu namagara kadutiza indege tujyana. Uyu no mupilote no muhanga niwe yigeze kubakura ku bwato. Bakeneye indege bajyana Budapest. Ni muri Hungariya. Urwa mukuru wa Hungary. Aje umva karirimbo. Agara woman. Way over town. Good to me. Oh yeah, mambo vipi? She give me money. Mbiyo ndirimba ariko. Bari mu bwato bari muri ka private jet. Tari ngombwa uje gutega biriya bintu rega kujya gutega iki Kanombe indege. Usiko burana niri ari twegera ugenda wicaranye n'abantu. Ngiye nago nategera Kanombe cya kindi kibuga icyo aricyo cyose. Indege yanjye biparitse nyine Kanombe ku ruhande ka private ngagenda uwumwe. Bameze nkuri muri taxi voiture rero ntago ndi mugenzi wanyu. Hakunino.
Similarity?
Ura musura abonye musase?
Yeah, I noticed that too.
Nanjye nabibonye ko dusa. None
You never had a long-term relationship?
wigeze ukunda n'umuntu igihe kinini oya?
Unless we count.
Usibye weho. Kandi nta minsi 3 bamaranye.
Is it possible that you could have...
Ese birashoboka ko warabyaye nk'umwana mu gasoza akabare bakoresheje ko kwica? Oya.
Then how do you explain that?
Ese bino babisobanura utumva Dani.
Alright.
Sibyo mbabarira. Umugabo nawe byamucanze umukobwa kubyo atangiye kubwira ati uriya musore mwarwanaga murasa. Neza ni fotokopi yawe. Ni umwana wabyaye mu gasozi akabaje kuvunira mu mavi wapi?
Thank you, by the way.
Ariko hagato wakoze. nakoze iki?
leaving Baron's apartment so I wouldn't be a target.
Twansize mu rugo rwa Baroni.
Coming to get me in Georgia when you could have just run for your life.
Wibuka umusore yahunze arabwira ati mwe musigare mu nzu mwicanye bari wakurikira wenyine nta bandi amusanganye.
Give you a free trip to Hungary.
Ye kujyana Hungary uhuriye n'abandi bantu. Baye urugendo rw'ubuntu.
Hungarians.
Ndasanga yo ba Hungarians abantu batuye muri Hungary. Murwa mukuru ni Budapest ngo niho bagiye. Turere. Ko nabona guriya muhungu waje kunyica.
It was like I was seeing a ghost.
Nameze nk'ubonye umuzimu. Byamucanze.
Ghost with a gun.
Wabonye umuzimu ufite imbunda mbega. Niko byari bimeze.
Every trigger I've ever pulled.
Uri mbarutse yose nakuriye nica abantu. Igasani. Yagize ngo aribonye akiri muto. Yabonye umuntu basa neza. Bano batangira kumaza tese n'umwana wawe. Tugaruke yako nino Grenville. Aruhari. Ni Clay. Uyu niwe bari kuvuga ngo wohereje bari abicanyi. Kumbe dore wa mwana bari bohereje kwica. Kwica Henry ari hano.
I told you to stay in Colombia and wait for.
Nakubwiye ngo ugome muri Colombia utegereza andi mategeko.
I wanted to talk to you.
Nashaka kuvugana nawe. Icyo cyangaruye. Ni muzehe mwibuke muri shure map. Arya karoti amaze gusaza imyaka we. Mwibuke muri Inside Man.
He's the best.
No wambere.
That's why I sent you.
Niyo mpamvu twakohereje uriya musore twakohereje no wambere.
He knew every move of mine before I knew.
Yasaga nkuzi buri tekinike ngiye gukoresha mbere yuko nyikoresha.
Have him.
Nari mufite.
There. Take the shot.
Ngavuganire kamurase. Hanyuma.
He'd be gone.
Gasanga aragiye yasaga nkunzi neza.
Like a ghost.
Ameze nk'umuzimu.
Did you get a look at his face?
Wamurebye mu isura.
Not really. I saw him up the stairs through.
Namubonye kuri escalier ameze ngaho mu kirahure gishaje.
He got a line on me. I had to jump down. What do we always do?
Yasohotse musimbuka twakubwiye ngo iki?
You put his back against the wall.
Twarakubwiye ngo ujye uguma hejuru y'umuntu umusunikire ku nzu.
No that.
Byo ndabizi.
The whole thing was weird.
Ibintu byose byari bitangaje pe.
How?
Gute?
I don't know. It was.
Sinzi ariko.
Byasaga nkaho.
Byasaga nkaho ndi kubireba byose.
Who is he?
Yesu unduriya nindi.
Junior, this thing.
Junior.
You're struggling with this strength.
Ibintu uri kunyuramo ni ibintu bidasanzwe. N'ubwoba.
Don't hate it.
Wikwanga ubwoba.
Lean into it.
Ubwo bwoba bufate.
Embrace it.
Ubwakire.
And then overcome it.
Uraza kuburenga.
Are right on.
Kugira ngo umve amagambo.
This cause. You hungry?
Urashonje?
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Ndashonje.
All cereal sound good?
Wakuzanira se bya cereals ukarya yego.
Yes sir.
Yego. Yes sir, yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir. Uri kumubwira kumwita mwana wanjye. Ariko nago yamubyara ko uyu numwirabura uriya ni umuzungu. Rebye amafoto bari kumwe n'uyu mugabo akira akana. Kumera kuri no harabari kurasa hejuru mu kirere. Baturage bari kwiruka bimeze biti. Hey, naho batugaruye. Aramodoka nso Gemini utangiye kuva mbasuri bambaye gutyo. Arabavuyemo bari mu modoka bya nso Gemini. Yeah. Katururi. Fire. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Kumbe bari mu myitozo. Bari mu myitozo. Kumbe ni hano ari.
Faces.
Ndi kubona amasura menshi mashyashya. Kumbe ni kuri wa mushinga Gemini aho baba bari.
Do they understand the rules of engagement?
ese amategeko yo kwataka bayazi
Whatever moves they shoot.
cyangwa bapfa kurasa ikintu cyose babonye.
They're elite. They're disciplined.
Ni abahatari bafite discipline.
If they get a clean shot of their targets,
iyo babwiye ngo barasa bari hejuru.
you should think about that on your way to Budapest.
nawe mu nzira ugiye Budapest umenye ko ari byo uri bukore.
Henry's just landed there. You're moving out.
Yeah. uyu ngagiye Budapest kandi wibuke na wa wundi basa ni hari. tugaruke Budapest Hungary. Yeah.
Aniko. Thank you for your time. Here are the samples.
Mbonye abantu bari kunyandikira ngo Rocky ngo none senga yiwe boro ngiri kuri Facebook ne uri kutwandikira. Ntabwo nkoresha Facebook nayo babwiye kenshi mwimbwira ibyo bintu. Twikomereza filime. Ibyo bizamini mbikeneye mu masaha 2 binsubize. Amuhaye amaraso. Barakwerekana wa mukobwa ari hano.
You got a meeting with Yuri.
Dufite inama na Yuri.
Agreed to sit with us.
Yemeye kuganira natwe.
You all right?
You gotta know why he's as good as you, Henry.
Maze kumenya impamvu uriya musore yari umuhanga nkawe. Uriya wabarashe.
He is you.
Uriya musore ni weho. Umva amagambo.
What?
Ngo iki? Wa wundi wabarashe.
There's a DNA lab here.
Hano hari ibisubizo bya DNA bivuye muri laboratoire nona.
Yours and the baseball cap he was wearing.
Yango fero yataye hari harimo imisatsi ye twagiye tuyikoramo ibizamini bya DNA.
But he had to be your son, so
Nabanje gucyaka ari umuhungu wawe.
they did 3 tests.
Batusuzumye inshuro eshatu.
DNA and his.
DNA zawe nizo ze.
All 3 came back identical.
Inshuro eshatu DNA zawe nizo ze.
Not close, identical.
Ntabwo uriya bivuze ngo ni umwana wabyaye. Uri umwana wabyaye bapimye DNA basanga uriho kuri 90-80 bakavuga ngo ni umwana wawe. Ati zawe zingana nize ni identical ntabwo ziri close.
They thought it was a mistake that I'd given you samples of the same person, but I didn't. He is you.
Uriya muhungu wakurasaga ni weho. Bira bishoboka gute? Imaze banzaniye umuntu bakambwira ngo ninjye. DNA zingana zireshya bivuze ngo barakoze photocopy yawe.
You think they clone more?
Urakeka bakoze clone y'undi muntu. Clone ni nka photocopy y'umuntu uko bakora photocopy y'urupapuro nyine ni clone yawe.
Nelson Mandela couldn't kill a man on a moving train.
Kuki batakoze Nelson Mandela se basi nimba bashaka gukora clone y'undi muntu? Ati Nelson Mandela se yabasha kurasa umuntu ari muri gare moshi yirukanga iri mu birometero byinshi akarasa umuntu. Bivuze ngo uyu musore nawe ntasanzwe. Warabwiye ati nimba bashaka gukora abandi bantu kuki batakoze abantu b'intwari nka Nelson Mandela bakareka gukora njyewe. Ati nawe ntusanzwe ubasha kurasa umuntu ari muri gare moshi igenda uri ibirometero 2 hafi aho. Yuri
Mr. Broden.
na Nelson Mandela ntago mumuzi ntago ndi bumugaruke hope basi reka mvuge Madiba. Yeah.
Before we begin, I must confess.
Mbere ko dutangira kamanze nemera icyaha.
For many years.
Akazi kawe ndagakunda pe.
So you know who I...
Uzundi wese. Cyane.
Long time listener, first time caller, as they say in your country.
Mu gihugu cyane ko bajya bavuga umuntu arigiye guhamagara bwa mbere amaze igihe kinini akumva.
And your retirement, but
ndabizi wari ugiye kwegura ariko akazi kawe ka nyuma wakoze kajemo ingabo. Leta yanjye yarambeshye ishaka kunyicuru.
In Russia,
mu Burusiya
Tuesday,
tubyita kuwa kabiri.
Americans, it hurts your feelings.
Ariko abanyamerika birababaza.
So,
none
why was Dormov trying to go back to Russia?
Ni cyatumaga Dormov ashaka gusubira mu Burusiya. Wa undi yarasiye muri gari ya moshi.
Very American. You're a busy man.
Sanga ari umugabo ufite akazi kenshi.
We were both friends with Jack.
Je nawe twari inshuti witwa Jack wundi barasiye mu bwato.
I know his death like you.
Nanjye rwose urupfu rwe rwarancegeshe nkawe.
And I have not killed you.
Impamvu rero ngaba narakwica
is we share a common enemy.
Uko dusangiye umwanzi. Clay Velis niwe mwanzi wacu.
He lured Dormov to the west, founded his lab.
Niwe wajyanye Dormov muri Amerika ngo ni burengerazuba ajya gukorera laboratoire yo gukora abantu.
But in 95
I was the sheep.
It is a compliment. And you are the only one. With your DNA, Veris raised the boy as his own.
Uriya mugabo Clay yaje gufata DNA zawe aziremamo undi muntu ndetse akoramo umuntu umeze nkawe amurera nk'umwana we. None Dormov kuki ashaka kugenda?
Tried to lure him back.
Twagerageje kumugarura mu Rusiya Dormov.
Last year they had a falling out. Dormov got scared, reached out to me.
Dormov nibwo yaje kugira ubwoba aramamagara.
Still doesn't explain why I was sent to kill.
Nyine mbwira impamvu bantumye kwica Dormov wa mu Rusiya uri muri Garemoshi.
Made a breakthrough. modified human DNA.
uriya mugabo Dormov yaramaze kumenya uburyo wakoramo abantu benshi ukoresha DNA zabo.
Soldiers to be stronger.
Dormov yifuza ko umusirikare yaba akomeye bakora akomeye arahambaye, ariko Veris we yashakaga ibindi birenze kuri Veris. Yashakaga ibiki?
Mr. Brogan,
yashakaga Brogan.
You are the best at what you do.
Niwe muntu wa mbere mu kazi ukora, ariko umaze kunanirwa, ugira ubwoba, urashidikanya, wumva uburibwe, ushaka no kwihorera. Mbega ufite umutima nama, nicyo batashakaga. Ibyo bikugira umuntu, ibyo rero bikugira umusirikare uciriritse. Clayton ari gukinira kuri DNA zawe akora abandi bantu, tugomba kumuhagarika. Ati kuko uri umuhanga mu kazi ukora, baravuze ati ntabwo bakora abandi bantu, bakora undi muntu umeze nkawe. Buriya ukuntu buri mu kazi ugashoboye neza bakavuga ati tuzanye abandi bantu bagakora neza. Ariyo mpamvu abantu bicara bakavuga ati ntabwo twabona umusobanuzi umeze nka Rocky, ariko byibura Rocky buriya tumufashe tukamukoramo we umeze nkawe, bakankuramo indi fotokopi imeze nkanjye ndetse nyinshi, akazi kagenda neza cyane. Ariko bashatse kuzana undi ntabwo nyine byaba bimeze nka bya bindi byanjye. Wenda byaba byiza ariko ntabwo byaba biri perfect. Rega bari abana bari power, njye nkaba perfect.
What the hell do you know about that?
I'm a big fan. What can I say?
Rega ndo umufana wawe, ndakwemera G. Genda uhagarika uwo mugabo, barashaka kumukoramo baweho benshi. Uyu musore ni umuhanga mu kazi akora, arasa abantu neza cyane, ni umuhanga, umusirikare mwiza, ni umuhanga, afite ubwenge. Uriya kuba ufite impano ntabwo bihagije idaherekejwe n'ubundi bumenyi n'ubwenge.
What? Just saying you. You know you're 51.
Umaze kuza imyaka 51, ndabizi ceceka.
He's the mirror you don't want to look into, Henry.
Uriya musore ameze nk'indererwamo udashaka kurebamo.
Best shot at getting to Varys.
Ariko niwe muntu twanyura kugira ngo tugere kuri Varys. Sasa bano barashaka kunyura kuri wa musore waje kumurasa uriya fotokopi kugira ngo bagere kuri Varys.
General Lassiter?
Janet Lester?
Who wants to know?
Indi ushaka kumenya.
I have a message for you, man.
Ufite ubutumwa man.
Transferred $1,000 into my phone.
Banyohereje igihumbi cy'idolari kugira ngo nkuzanire ubutumwa.
This person have a name?
Uwo muntu wagutumye afite izina?
Name is $1,000 into my FedEx account.
Je yambwiye ngo yitwa igihumbi cy'idolari yanyoherereje ngo nkuzanire ubutumwa.
Hello, Janet.
Hello, Janet.
Kill me again.
Mbere ko ushaka kongera kunyica.
Your home address is the
Zanu tuye
2 Carroll Grove.
Barahamubwira.
Security alarm code is.
Uyu ni wundi rotumye bicanye imbere na mbere dutangira filime ngo bajye kwicira musore afatanije na kuri Varys. Sasa barabwiye ati wa mugore tuzanu tuye. Igihe uvuye ibyukira.
Every night you stand in front of your huge living room window sipping a
Buri joro banzu gagarara hanze ukanywa margarita ni inzoga.
on the TV. Wearing your nice comfy sweatpants.
Wambaye sweat pants tuba tukureba. Telefone.
This is Lassiter.
Uyu ni Lester.
Shooters at your 10 and 2.
Hari umwicanyi ukuri inyuma n'ukuri imbere.
Now, if I thought the world needed another me, I would have had a kid.
Nimba mwari mukeneye undi muntu umeze nkanjye kuri iyi si yo mumbwira nkabyaraho kugira ngo mukore undi nkanjye.
Must know that.
Yeah,
umusore.
It's the answer. Something goes wrong.
Umusore yicara nari kumubeshya ati nagushyizeho ba snipe iburyo n'inyuma barakurasa numbwira ibintu bitari byo.
Now, I have your agent with me against her will.
Mfite umu agent wawe muri kano kanya witwa Daniel Zakarweski.
Wants to come in.
Fine. Anagira ngo agaruke mu kazi.
She is a patriot.
Akunda igihugu ameze nkanjye.
Like me. She still wants to spend the next couple decades scoring touchdowns.
Ariko atandukaniye nanjye arifuza kumarana namwe indi myaka nka 20 abakorera mbere yuko yegura.
10 and 2, Janet.
Janet, wibuke ko inyuma no kuri n'ibumoso tukuriho.
Turn her over to?
It's the guy you sent after me in Cartagena.
Ndagira ngo mumuze na musore mwanyoreje muri Cartagena ngase kundasa.
Family reunion.
Umuryango sura shaka guhura.
Yego. Keep it up. You'll be the first person I ever killed for free.
Ubi nutohereza uriya musore mwohereje karenganya ice niwe muntu wa mbere ndibuze kwica mwiciye ubuntu.
5 minutes.
Iminota 5 araba kugezeho. Yahita amenya ko umusore ageze hano kunino muri Budapest.
She'll be in the courtyard of the Vitahunyad Castle at midnight.
Amubwira ahantu baza guhurira.
Enjoy your latte.
None wishimira iyo kawe uri kunywa iyo latte.
Adios, motherfucker.
How the hell does he know we're here?
Bamenye gute ko turi hano? Musore basabye bamwohereje bamaze kumwohereza kare. Katorori. Uyazano naho bavuze ngo baza guhurira muri iri joro.
This is gonna work, right?
Bino biraza gukora ariko.
Yes.
Cyane.
How do you know?
Ubizi gute?
I know his taste.
Uriya musore nzi ukuntu ameze, nimba ameze nkanjye baramuremye nkanjye uko atekereza niko ntekereza ibyo nimva muri ibyo yumvamo. Nako bimeze nimba hari umuntu umeze nkanjye ubwo bamukoza ameze nkanjye uko niyumva niko yumva ibyo atekereza nibyo ntekereza ibyo nakora n'ibyo yakora. Nimba nsenga nubwo yabasenga.
For you,
in Georgia.
Nyine bakoze umuntu umeze nkawe ubwaza ari weho nyine ntago muba musa gusa uwo musa ni impanga.
He was born with that too.
Ibyo niyumva muno yarabivukanye.
He wants me.
Arashaka nje. Wa musore kabakise Gemini man avayo. Baramusifura we vayo hano sha vayo hano torori aza kuri uyu kubitana neza barasa ni fotokopi bambonye aba yitsimbye ahantu ntago abazi nimba batamutumyeho bamudahushwa bamurasa abagaze ahantu mu nguni nta muntu aba yizeye umva cano ntago naza kugufata uhagarara ubundi ahantu nk'umugizi wa nabi cyangwa se nk'umuntu w'umuhatari uhagarara ahantu nyine uvuga ati nta dirishya rihari nta kinange batandase akakwereka aho uca bakagukurikira iburyo wa musore uyaca hano hano ni heza iyi mbuga ni nziza.
I'm sorry man.
Bare madam.
Before we go any further.
Mbere ko dukomeza ndagira ngo ukuremo imyenda.
Beg your pardon?
Vuze ngo iki? I beg your pardon?
You're not wearing a wire.
Ndashaka kumenya ko utambaye urutsinga uri kunkurura nk'amajwi. Kuramo imyenda. Mbere na mbere.
Ma'am.
Unyise madam.
I was raised to respect my elders.
Je nyine bandeze ku buryo nubaha abantu banduta. Ibaza umwicanyi nk'uyu ijambo avuze ariko kuki unyise mabuja madamu nyine ati mpamvu mwise mabuja nuko ngiye bandeze ngo nubaha abantu banduta. Ibaze kuramo imyenda barebe ko nta rutsinga yambaye. Uyu musore afite discipline urabona ukuntu ahita areba ku ruhande ariko ibaze ari puzzle cya mikoroje cyamabano cyangwa hey! Aha
Turn around, please.
Hindukira turebe ko nta rutsinga. Arahindukira. Yakafitemo akadisipurine uyu mwicanyi. Arabanza amusaka ibisasi. Ari gusaka nyine yumve ko nta rutsinga bamuteze rukurura amajwi. Ibyo ari kuvuga batabizi naho bari guca. Neza ni Will Smith akiri muto. Muri za 90s iyo. Niwe muto mbega. Aramusaka hanoze shabisa nkaho ukunda kumenya akantu kose amakenga niyo yambeshejeho. Umvisha umusore ariko amakenga niyo yandinze kwigengesera mu yandi magambo ijambo ryiza na amakenga ati kwigengesera nibyo bikimbeshejeho kantu kukanduka gace ukavuga ati kano kantu kanturuka nawe ninja yose ugiye ubona ukayibona mininja byajya biguha kuramba.
My orders are to kill you.
Amategeko ya nuko umukobwa umuzana ari muzima. Amategeko yanjye nuko umwica.
Catacombs.
Negative. We're doing this someplace visible where I can see you.
Now you have 11 minutes.
Wa iminota 11 amubwira icyumba musangamo.
Get dressed. We're taking a ride.
Nuko ngahambara tugende. Abwiye wa musore Henry ahamusanga. Amuha iminota 11. Bahurire. Yeah. Turi Budapest. Wese afite taxi voiture kandi umukobwa ni witwaye.
The formality, it's southern. You know, if you're going to use me as bait and possibly murder me, then the least you can do is indulge.
Ariko menya uri kunkoresha nk'agatego cyangwa se nanjye ushaka kuza kunyica sibyo?
Just outside Atlanta.
You two have a lot in common.
We nuriya musore mufite byinshi muhuriyeho Henry. Ndabishidikanya.
You'd be surprised.
Uraza gutungurwa.
You know, I started following him too, just like you're doing.
Uriya musore nanjye banyohereje ngo muneke nk'uko uri kumuhineka. Nza kumumenya.
Big heart.
Afite umutima nk'uko nawe ufite.
What do you know about my heart?
Umutima wanjye wuzuye iki?
I know that you have one.
Icyo nzi cyo nuko ufite nta kindi.
I know that it's telling you that something about the job you've been given isn't right.
Ndetse ikindi nzi nuko akazi bamaze iminsi bagutumaho gukora nawe ubizi ku mutima katari akazi keza. Batangiye kumuganiriza barabizi nawe siwe baramukoze baramutuma. Baramukoze. Ni clone. wavayo. Ndi kwibaza amafaranga wishyuye ngo unzane hano. Ibumoso sha mufashe. Iyo minyururu yikureho. Kuraho.
Basement.
Muzana muri basement. Menye umujyi wuze. Jya ndeba za net geo nyinshi. Kingura. Komeza imbere. Yeah.
Ooh. Wonder how many people are buried down here.
Ndikwibaza abantu bashyinguye hano ni bangana iki? Sora muzana hano. Bunda yikenyereraho. Yeah. Jugunya hakurya. Arabanza atega grenade hano. Ku buryo umuntu uri buze kwaca akomye kuri urutsinga grenade yahita imuzamura. Nagatego. We umugozi arawurenga. Twagiye. Amatara arayakupa. Ku buryo umuntu uri bumukurikire bikuriya musore agomba kumukurikira mubwiye kamusanga hano. Ni Henry ni yinjira hano grenade iramuturitsa kuko ntago ari buze kubahabona.
No joke. I mean, I get the idea.
Iriya grenade uteze mu nzira ntago ari imikino.
Your strength in close quarters favors you, right? I mean, you can't throw a grenade without killing me too.
Iriya grenade nawe ushobora kukwica nanjye kanyica uteze.
Some sort of sedative agent.
Tururi.
Way ahead of me. Gas mask and night vision. Very.
Wambaye mask kubera uri gukupa amatara, ufite na za night vision uri kurira mu gicuku.
But can I ask you something?
Gere cyo ngusaba. Muko wari cyo kuvuga.
How much do you know about it?
Uriya mugabo ugiye kwicaye n'urumuziki. Bambwiye ko yishe abasore bacu 8 baba agent.
No.
Oya baramubeshyira.
Exactly.
Ntago ari byo byabaye nari impari.
The night all those operatives were hit.
Iryo joro abo ba operatives banyu baza nari impari. Boherejwe na Gemini.
But his father was shot in Virginia.
Ageno kurikira amagambo.
And Savannah.
Uriya musore baramubeshyira ubwo bari bamwirije abantu ngo bamwice. Ntago ari we wabishe.
Henry can shoot long distance, but he can't shoot that long.
Uyarakupa.
Come on, just think, does that make any sense to you?
Yesu ibyo bintu bumva bisobanutse bakubwiye.
I'm saying it.
Njya mvuga ubundi uri kubyumva mufunga umuntu. Noneho biraruta. Bakiro bumva grenade. Bumva grenade. Iraturitse. Rwari witurikanye. Tururi. Waje. Depozano. Umuntu yambaye night vision ukamucanira urumuri mu maso. Ahita amera nk'impuminyi. Baramufashe. Mufashe n'uyu. Barasa neza. Ni wewe. Nawe yaramurebye arikanga ni wewe. Ni krone ye. None ibintu byose ni we. Buri impanga mu bamusa ariko mushora kwa mutandukanye. None uyu barasa batekereza kimwe bakora kimwe ibintu byose n'umubiri ibintu byose. Bega ni krone ye. Bega ni identical. DNA zabo ntago ziri close. DNA ubundi ntago ijya matchinga ngo umuntu nimba mupimye ngo n'umuntu wawe ngo birahurije na kwijana cyangwa impanga ngo ni 100%. Barabipima nyine bagasanga biri close wenda 90%, 99 ibintu nk'ibyo. Ariko none yari clone. Biba biri identical. Neza bimatchinga kakajana ku kandi. Bega ibyo wiyumvamo nawe nibyo bayiyumvamo. Ibyo ukunda nawe nibyo bakunda. Ibyo utarya nibyo batarya. Kugira ubyumve neza. Mu gihe impanga ari igihe usanga imwinywa byeri indi itazinywa. Ariko basa. Kugira ngo bitandukanye neza. Ibyo bintu rero babana ntago baba babizi nk'ibyo ndi kubabwira. Sibyo? Nikimenyi mfite ubumenyi rusange rega nasoma.
Thank you.
Urakoze.
You know, like one of those?
Jesus, Henry.
Ako niyo bamufashe. Hey, ibaze ngufashe. Bamufatiye hano.
Thanks for the tip on the grenade.
Wakoze kuma makuru ya grenade.
You were talking to him the whole time.
Mwavuganaga cyagiye cyose. Umukobwa yari yambaye akantu gakurura amajwi mu ryinyo. Niyo mpamvu iriya grenade yayivuzeho uyu yaje azike hari.
I do not want to kill you.
Musore sinshaka kukwica.
But I absolutely will if I have.
Ariko niba ngombwa ndaguhitana. Ngufashe.
Did Clayverse tell you about me?
Kuri Ivaris yakumbwiye iki?
Okay, well let me tell you about.
Okay, ngereka nkubwire kuri wakureze.
I know Mr.
Veris ndamuzi neza.
How did he start you?
Yagutangiye gute?
Birds.
Mujya guhiga inyoni, mugahiga inkwavu, mutangira guhiga impongo.
20 years.
Uje imyaka 20. Nibwo bwa mbere warashe umuntu, sibyo? Ibyo bintu umva hari icyo biziho? Yego.
He told you to lean into your feet.
Yarakubwiye ngo ubwoba bwawe ujye ubufata bukomeze. Kubera kuri indwanye. Ngufite imana idasanzwe yo kurengera abanyantege nke.
But he couldn't stop the noise.
Ariko urusaku rwe ntajya ruhagarika.
That secret part of you that always felt a little different than.
Hari uruhande rumwe muri ruhora rukubwira ibintu bitandukanye n'ibyo uriya mugabo arakubwira bitangaje. Nta kintu uzi, uzi imbere n'inyuma musore, kuko tumeze kimwe. Ndabizi ugira witsamura inshuro enye, ndetse nawe ugira ririji ku mavubi, ivubi iri kuri ugira ririji. Ufite disipurine, uratuje, ntabwo ujya ukora gake, ukunda puzzles, ukina chess, ni ya mikino imeze nka dame, ndetse uri n'umuhanga umeze nkanjye. Ariko iyo ugiye kuryamura ibitotsi, ubwonko bwawe ntibutuma usinzira, kuko iyo uryamye uhura n'indoto mbi, ku buryo zigeze saa 9 z'ijoro urota uri mu bibazo, ukumva wabwira umuntu ngo nagutabare. Bituma wishidikanyaho, bigatuma wiyanga, kuko bituma wumva uri umunyantege nke, kandi nta musirikare wakagombye kwishidikanyaho. Igihe kimwe cyonyine ujya wumva wishimye, ni igihe uba uryamye wubitsinda ugiye kurasa umuntu nka sniper. Ibyo noneho utangiye kubisobanukirwa. Urakeka ibyo byose mbizi gute? Ntabwo byitayeho. Reba wa mukinga we, turebe nge nawe.
25 years ago your father took my blood and he
imyaka 25 ishize papa yanwaye amaraso aragukora gukuye muri nge. DNA zacu ziri identical, turi kimwe. Arakubwira ukuri, ceceka.
He chose me because there's never been anybody like me.
Impamvu yambisemo agakora umuntu umeze nkanjye nuko nta wundi muntu wigeze ubaho umeze nkanjye. Wumvisha ariko kwikina kuri hano. Ati impamvu yambisemo agakora undi muntu umeze nkanjye nuko nta wundi muntu wigeze uba kuri isi umeze nkanjye. Kuriya nta wundi wanyu na Ruki. Hey, impamvu yambisemo nuko ndi uwa mbere.
You are obviously not the best.
Biragaragara ntabwo uri uwa mbere, nagufatiyeho imbunda wakigoryiwe.
Got a hard ass head. Guess this was supposed to be your birthday or something.
Wabona yarajyaga kubeshya ngo wagize isabukuru.
Had to do it.
Kandi asabukuru ugira baragukoze. Umuntu bakoze sagira isabukuru, bw'isabukuru yawe ni yanjye.
That's the maniac you're pulling a trigger for. Shut your mouth about him.
Uwo muntu uri gukorera yarakubeshye, bikugerageza gutabara.
What are you? 23?
Imyaka 23.
Still a virgin.
Uracyari n'imanzi, sibyo? Yego, nanjye nagize iyo myaka ndi imanzi. Ababizi neza nyine. Ukuvuga ngo nanjye bakoze umuntu umeze nkanjye, twahora nkabwira ati sha nawe ntunywa inzoga, urakijijwe, ukunda gusengera aha. Nyine umubwira nk'uri kwibwira ibyo ukora neza, usanga bihura.
How could they love you?
Gute abantu nk'abo bagukunda? Abantu bose bakorezaho ni ibipimo. Muri intwaro yabo. Uyararakara. We Mbunda barayirwanira. Hey, barayirwanira. Karugondene magazine ivamo. Hey, abasore ni babiri. Umuto n'umukuru, muto n'umukuru. Kick. Mutonya ariko aracyafitemo n'amaraso ashyushye. Nudu tekinike dusha. Baragigira uze kuri we muto, nko gura nawe n'umwana umeze nkaho ugifite imyaka 20 na uri muri 50. Urumva uwo mwana bakurusha amakanu k'amavuta, ariko nta mwana usya na ku mwana. Abana b'iyi minsi bataye umuco, basigaye banasya. Hey, barayikunenga. Ese bite kiki kana hano gafite imigeri karacyanyarutse. Turore kobwa arabamurika. Turore box punch. Hey, kana ko gafitemo n'amavuta. Undi nawe ni umusaza ariko cyari mubi cyane, biranga ntumurase. Ari kubwira umukobwa ati ntumurase. Depoza umwana, mwereke ko nta mwana usya navoma. Kana ariko karamugigiza. Katurore biranga. Biranga. Bari kunenga. Hey, turore depoza hano. Hey, unyubako meze biti. Kura y'icyuma. Wapi squata iranga. Mwana kura y'icyuma barakigira. Kura y'igufwa. Tera bamuzingira kuyigufwa. Shiras ndakurasa. Wapi abana kiramujomba wapi yaragiterura bacamo hano parika mu mazi kandi uriya mugabo atinya amazi nimba yatinya ubwo n'uyu arayatinya kurohama icyo kintu cya mbere atinya umukobwa arababona anagamo frere ayinagamo ibamurikira tururi umukobwa zano uyu bari kumunywesha nkeri akana kamurusha imbaraga bamaze no gusaza muri gatujye tubyemera turasaza none sinjye ugira ngo sindi gusaza mureka agende nanjye ndi gusaza mba nkeneye abasimbura niyo mpamvu ngira ngo bariya abana babe biga babe bihugura biriya bintu byo kubanza bakaza gusobanura batarize babe babiretse babanze bige baze bansimbure ariko buriya aracika caho njyewe ntago ndi wowe uriya mwana nicyo cyamboje ati njyewe ntago ndi wowe ari hehe nshiyeho murashe ku rutugu araza kwitakira si ikintu cyiza ntameze neza
Well, it's not every day you see a guy get his ass kicked on 2 continents by himself.
Ntabwo ari ibintu bisanzwe kubona umuntu w'umugabo bamukubitira ku migabane ibiri akubitwa n'umuntu ari wewe akubitwa mbega na wewe kuko uriya mwana ni we wuyu ibuke bamukubitiye muri Amerika yo hepfo ni umugabane bamukubitiye no ku mugabane w'Uburayi turi muri Hungary ni ikigoryi cy'inshuti ye kimucyuriye ntabwo bisanzwe kubona umugabo akubitwa na wewe bavuyeyo bahita bafata indege
That poor kid
karakana karengana
must be terrified.
buriya gafite ubwoba.
Then he's going home walking into a buzzsaw.
buriya asubiye mu rugo asa nk'uwahangayitse yataye umutwe nta kintu azi aravuga uriya wewe muto mwana banza usinzire.
Not me. That's where the ghosts are.
ntago nasinzira iyo usinziriye niho imizimu ibiri ibaza ariko ngo mu ndoto niho imizimu ibiri katorore beze bite
Tell me something.
gira icyo mbwira.
Why is it so hard for you to kill this man?
ni iki kiri kukugora kwica uriya mugabo?
You know how much I hate big hammock park pop.
uzi uburyo nanga uburyo unjyana muri za park.
What?
ngwiki
Ever since I was about
kuba mfite imyaka 12
old, we would shoot turkeys there.
twajyaga kurasa bwa bunyamaswa bumeze mbega bumeze nka dendo bwa turkeys.
And I always hated it.
kandi urabizi ko nabyangaga.
But I was an orphan, right?
nari imfubyi.
How would we even know when my birthday?
undi wari warubwiye ko niki kariyo sabukuru yanjye kandi ni imfubyi warandeze.
Seen the notice, so we just keep going. Okay, so next year we'll try Chuck E. Cheese.
ubutanzahindura nzajya nkujyana.
Yeah.
yego.
You,
wowe
me,
nanjye
and the lab guys.
na wa musore mwakoze muri laboratoire ari wenjye. uyu niwe bavugaga Clay Velis. avayo mwibuke muri Inside Man, mwibuke muri Shure Map. Teka noze nizera
You'd be happier not knowing.
ko wabaho wishimye ari uko utabizi. utamenya ukuri nishima.
You know when I'm happy, Pop?
uzigiye nishima papa?
When I'm flat on my belly.
iyo nubitsinda
about to squeeze a trigger.
ngiye gukurura imbarutso ba sniper ko bajya kurasa babanje kubika.
Only time I'm happy.
nicyo gihe cyonyine mbaho nishimye.
And this wasn't even a mistake.
ibi ntabwo byari ikosa gusa.
It's not like you got someone pregnant
kibire byiza kuba ngo wateye umuntu inda
and raised me.
urangije ngo uramfa turandira ntaribi.
Made a decision
wafashe umwanzuro
to have a scientist
uzana umunyesiyanse
person
mukora umuntu
person
mumukuye mu wundi muntu.
exactly what it was.
nuko byagenze.
Then you sent me
urangije uranyohereza
to kill him.
ngo njye kwica wa muntu mwakozemo njyewe mwamunkuyemo.
Me. He's sure to.
Ubicanyi bose bari ku cyaringe mwohereje.
This on your own.
Wa musore umeze nk'uri kugenda mu gicucucucu cyawe.
Maybe you're my darkness.
Ahari niwe mwijima wanjye ahubwo.
The lie you told me.
Kira kinyoma wambwiye.
And my parents.
Ngo ababyeyi banje
dumped me at a fire station.
Ngo baraje banjugunya kuri fire station ngo urantora.
And I believe that.
Nanjye ndabyizera kumbe warankoze.
Do you know how that made me feel?
Uzi ibyo bintu ukuntu bituma niyumva. Cyari ikinyoma gikwiye.
Shit is necessary.
Nta na kimwe muri uyu mwanda kiri ngombwa.
You made a choice to do this to me.
Wakoze amahitamo yo kunkora ibi bintu.
That okay I am bullshit.
Ese urumva ibyo bintu byatuma mera neza.
Forget who you're talking to, Junior.
Wibagiwe uri kuvugana nawe Junior, uyu mwana bamwita Junior, uri kumva gitwe.
You just go over the edge because
nabonye abasirikare benshi bapfa.
Make a gift, that's not you.
Bitewe nuko wabaye inshingano zirenze ubushobozi bwabo.
And dependable, I made sure that you have something that Henry himself.
Nakoze ko nshoboye ngo ntumugire ikintu Henry adafite.
Dedicated, present.
Icyo kintu ni ukugira papa wo kwitaho gukunda.
That you are precious.
Wari ukwibutsa agaciro kawe n'uburyo uri umuhungu mwiza.
Was to give you all of Henry's gifts without his.
Yemba nifuza guha impano uriya Henry nagukuyemo adafite.
Doubt, Junior.
Ntugashidikanye Junior we giti. Uranyumva?
You're better than that.
Ibyo urabirenze. Gushidikanya ntago ari ibintu ukwiye gukora. Ararira. Yamenye ukuri. Ariko uzi gukora bagakubwira ati Jimmy rero buriya wibona Jimmy Kabeza. Buriya uyusi wewe uri igikorone twagukuye mu wundi muntu twaragukoze. Hari undi OG Jimmy utari weho.
Let yourself down.
Wa mwana we wikwishyira hasi. Shyira hasi. None mba numva ari nge muntu. Nakoreka ncece. Ndeke kongera kwikina. Nzajya nikina filime irangiye. Undi gihe nahereye nikina asye. Undi nikina kugira ngo mbakange ariko naje gusanga ntimugitinya bwoba bwarashize. Nibundi biriya ni ibiki nimba musigaye munywa ibiki. Biri narikinaga mukikanga none ntimukikanga. Ariko mbafashe. Yatinze bane indege doroye baparitse ni hano.
Thanks baby.
Urakoze baby zo nazo arashimira indege. Pilote wabo ni ka private jet. Yihuse cyane.
Should be a truck here somewhere.
Bajano bari kugenda uyu baramurasa.
Don't move.
Mufahuri. Arabarashe yongeye yabagarukiye. Wa mwana. Photocopie. Sasa ikintu bamurashe kimucinege. Kimucinege atangira kurerembura.
You can't do that.
Binago wabikora.
You can't do that. He's allergic.
Amurashe kumbe. Amurashe uburozi bw'ivubi kandi uyu musore uzikagira ririje ku ivubi. Turangaragagara. Henry uri guhumeka bamurashe uburozi bw'ivubi.
Henry. Breathe.
Henry humeka.
You doing this?
Come on.
Kuki ibintu bikoze bamurashe uburozi bw'ivubi kandi arwara ririje y'amavubi.
Henry, breathe.
Henry humeka ari abantu bagira aririje mbi cyane kwica ugapfa.
Henry.
Apana bya bindi byo gufuruta gusa ugapfa.
Antihistamine.
Mitamuteye arayibabwira.
You'll be fine.
Baza kumera sawa yesa mutera umuti.
I'm sorry.
Mbabarire.
I had to be sure.
Nagomba kumenya neza karibyo. Sasa uyu musore menya amuteye uburozi bw'ivubi kugira ngo amenye ko bateye kimwe na uburozi bw'ivubi urwari yarerije nawe kuko ari kwameze. Mbega yaraje gusuzuma ko ibyo bamubwiye ari byo umusore ameze nkawe. Bose nyine ivubi ribatera rerije. Baragukurikira aho ugiye.
Do you trust me?
Uranyizera? Uranyizera? Umwana bisa nkaho yatangiye kwizera bano bagabo. Sasa icyo yakoze nta kindi yarambwiye ati kubera bagukurikira yese aza kumubaga. Umwana yaje kumubaga yamaze kumenya ko uyu mugabo ntari birye bameze kimwe ndetse ari wewe bana mumukozemo abwira wundi yamubeshye. Yarabwiye ati kubera bagukurikirana ahantu hose ugiye uretse nkwereke yahise amukatara mubaga amukuramo ka tracking device ni ka chip ka microchip gatonya ni chip ubwo ntoya. Sorry ari chipped. Barakanaga.
You know him too.
Nawe uramuzi Felicien.
Kuwait.
Panama, Kuwait, Somalia twararwananye.
Can you take us to him?
Watujyana ahantu ari?
We need to shut him down.
tugende tumuhagarike twembi nge nawe tujye guhagarika uriya mugabo dore ngo barafata inzira berekere bashyize hamwe uriya mugabo bajye kumuhagarika kuko yarengereye atangiye kujya akora abantu yigize imana basi kuba nicaye hano bakuza abandi bantu meze
Philadelphia, right?
wakuriye muri Philadelphia yego
Place called the Bottom.
ahantu bitaga Bottom. The Bottom.
Tell me about my mother.
gira ibyerekeranye na mama wanjye. Mama wawe
Helen Jackson.
yitwaga Helen Jackson.
Worked 2 jobs for 40 years.
yakoraga utuzi tubiri kandi afite imyaka 40.
Whooped my ass.
uwo mugore yajyaga nkubita.
Did you deserve it?
wabaga ubikwiye se gukubitwa?
Just being angry and stupid and never really trying.
najyaga ndakara nkakora utuntu tw'ubugoryi nyine mama kankubita. nyine ubwo uri kumubaza nimba umuntu ameze nkawe baramukuye muri wowe nyine umubwira ibya mama wawe nawe ubwo biba bimureba kuko nawe ni weweho nyine ubwo mumeze kimwe. tangiye kumubwira naje kujya mu gisirikare.
First time I ever made any real friends.
nibwo naje gura n'inshuti za nyazo arimo iyo yiri inyuma mu gisirikare.
Met Clay Veris there.
nibwo nahuriye na Clay Veris.
Something I was really
mu gisirikare nibwo naje kubona ikintu nari nshoboye bya nyabyo.
If I had medals on my chest.
navuye ku rugamba rwa mbere mfite imidari yuzuye igituza cyanjye imidende ibikombe yari yarabimaze.
You gotta walk away while you still can.
wa mwana bino bintu ushatse wabiva mu gishoboye.
That's all I know.
ni ikinzi gukora gusa. ibyo bakwigishije gusa.
Now you can still become
uracyafite umwanya wo kuba waba ikindi kintu.
Sure.
koko se
Doctor.
naba muganga se
Lawyer.
umwavoka se
Husband.
waba umugabo
Father.
ukaba papa.
All the things this job gives you the excuse.
ibintu byose kano kazi umaze iminsi ukora kakweretse kutaba byo wabiba. ibyo byose nge narabijugunye sinigeze mba papa sinigeze mbyara nyine ni ingaraga ishaje. ameze nkanjye bura nanjye ndi ingaraga ishaje mfite imyaka igera muri 50 ariko ndi ingaragu.
What is your name? It's always been Junior.
ese ubundi witwa nde? banyita Junior giti se banyita kure Junior. witwa nabi gusa Junior uri umuntu w'umugabo kitwa nyine ariyangana. ntabwo ari njye bivuze ni kamubwiye.
You sure about this? I need to talk to him.
koko ngujyane we nkwiye kuvugana nawe.
So what happens when we get
nitumugeraho turamukorera iki? tumufashe.
surrender?
baparikano muri feruje wari tumufata tumukorera iki? telefone.
It's him.
aramamagaye.
I talk to him.
muvugishe.
Be the one to tell him we're all BFFs now.
Take it.
mwitabe.
This is Junior.
uyu ni Junior giti.
It's Brogan.
uri kumwe na Brogan?
I gotta be with him. You sent me to.
ntago turi kumwe wanyohereje kumwica.
Just run.
irukanka.
What?
wiki?
Run. Get away.
ndakubwiye ngo nimba uri kumwe n'uwo musore irukanka umuhunge.
Just when you say.
Junior ndifuza kuba utekanye. uwo musore Brogan nimba muri kumwe hute. Henry Brogan muhunge. ni papa wawe nyumvira muhunge. muhunge katururi kureba imbere kumbera bagiye korasa musoke musoke soka mu modoka barayizamura mambo vipi bimeze biti parika gutyo Baron ruwahiriyemo ya nshuti yabo nyamunini Gabi yo kubikeri nuko yahiye. Gabi nuko yahiye urayita yiruka arabahunga baramubwiye ati bahunge bano nabo can katurori abicanyi baje bakora kampani bita Gemini Men niko gafilime turi kureba. Mbare Henry nshuti irapfuye wa mugabo ajya kumutwara. Chief Mitchell.
I need your units to stand.
Units zo ndagira ngo zihagarike.
We're engaging with a terror cell that
tugiye gura n'icyebe gifite intwaro zikomeye. Units z'abapolisi zisubiza. Sasa abapolisi bari baje gutabara dore ngo barabasubizayo. Abantu babara abasirikare bakora ikigo gikomeye bita DIA dore polisi ngirakata. Barebye ati polisi nisubireyo turi guhangana n'icyebe gikomeye. Umwana avayo. Abasirikare bahagarika.
the right thing, Junior.
Kuzi ikintu cyanya cyo Junior kumujya kure.
Howard would do.
Kuzi ibintu by'ibigwari.
Sick.
Kandi birambabaza.
Was asking too much of you.
Ndabizi ngusabye byinshi.
See that now. He deserves better than a missile shot into his car.
Uriya musore akwiye byiza birenze kuba warasa imodoka y'imisiri.
Has to die.
Akwiye gupfa dore nguyu ukwiye gupfa. Kumbe dore umwana. Fire. Igikoresho mu nyubako. Mama we igikoresho. Bisasu nyubako bindani hehe yajya hasi bimeze bite isasu muri alimantasiyo isasu hey fata umukobwa twagiye isasu ubundi iracicika.
Are you gonna call those goons off now?
No.
Wamagaye bari abaginga bakarekera oya.
Just fire that. Take command.
Armor's weak at the joints, eyes and neck are to kill shots.
Uyu nguyu
Right, I take left.
urabizi fata ibumoso mfata iburyo nimba ntabinyuranisha. Fire
Muzzle disappear. Watch your round count.
mani wicunge aturori bafayo ni babiri. Fire hey sas mwanda imbunda yitunguyu musasu bari baje kubarasa ba Gemini gira gutya baragigira bishanonera imbunda bana hano anyuzona Cray indwanya sasu bafayo sasu imbunda uburyo bayifatamo ukabona ko abana batojwe ubona ko bafite ku mwitozo bimeze bite grenade aranigwa ngufashe bamufashe aramuruma hehe tururi sasu ibyo bakora barabizi kugerageza kugira umugabo wambwa we arabwira icyana bafayo sasa inyuma harya ngo uri papa nkundi unyitaho ngo uruhari wamuginga faya garukura kuri uwo mukobwa nawe baha ibyabo tururi komeza bikore ndasa
How many rounds you got left?
sigaranye amasasa angana iki?
1.
rimwe.
For what?
For getting you into this.
I was the one surveilling you.
Yeah.
Tumbare kwa naragushyize muri ibintu atari ko ninjye wari kukuneka ngukurikirana.
Sorry.
Let's find our way out of this thing.
Reka turwane dushaka inzira idukura muri ibi bintu. Tururi. Wambere arinjira yaramureba. Injira. Cece. Kumutwe. Babiri baragwa. Ibanyura mu bombi. Haje abandi benshi. Turapfuye. Shabandi kure agashoka urabizi fata agashoka.
You're a great partner.
Uri umwunganizi mwiza. Fata agapiki karana agapiki na agashoka kimwe muri ibyo iriya ni ishoka.
Thank you.
Urakoze.
Sorry I ran.
Mbabare nirutse.
It's been a rough night.
Byari ijoro rikomeye.
I didn't see any.
Ibangaye basigaye hanze na rumwe mbonye. Felix.
Out of commission.
Nagari bwongere kutugenda.
We're still alive.
Ariko ni muzima.
Yes.
Yego. Kunino. Kombe dore waje dorakaje dore umuvuduko dorakora batumye dorakaje igasani none akaje ku muvuduko gafite mwakiri.
Bad as that.
Bimeze biti?
I'm fine.
Meze neza.
You're not.
Ntabwo meze neza.
Hold the elevator position. We're going to secure an out.
bakiraho ari cyaje kirasa bimeze biti kaje dore speed dore umuvuduko faya kobwa aragiye aturare hano kije kira bangutse faya sasu ntacyo gitwara uretse kiki mugeri kije kira bangutse mama we aturare akunino hey fire hey ndakuruka bazinga nakaje yakura y'imbunda fire biranga bini ibiki none ikishe cyo kirenzeho dore umugeri mama we hey uje nakamenyera shaka tomanyira fire hey mugeri yagira gutya afata ikintu cy'ikigaze musubira inyuma fire aragitwika n'umukobwa icyari kishe turore baracyongera ceceka turore baza no kumukuramo icyo yambaye ku mutwe kureba nawe asa nkabo nakandi gafotokopi kabo we igasani si bankozemo kopi zingaye baramupirase baragiye baramupirata baramushishuye yabonye ibindi bishishwa bye mfite ibishishwa bingaye baramushishuye arashishuye dore igishishurano rigishishwa dore igishishwa
Don't you feel pain?
Wese nta buribwe ujya wumva barabaza uyu nta buribwe ujya wumva nawe ni igishishwa nabizireka tumurase n'ubundi tumuhuhurire rimwe nuko yapfuye aha ese kumbona banshishuye cyane sike numva nanjye banshishura
I don't know why you're so angry, Henry.
Sinzi impamvu warakaye Henry haruwaje wumva amagambo uyu niwe wagiye ukora ibishishwa byinshi niwe wagiye ubashishura akoramo ibindi bintu avuye ni Clay
You were the inspiration for
werega twakoye inganzo yo gukora ibi byose none se washishura umuntu udafite umuhamagaro udafite inganzo ni impamvu banshishura niwe nyiri igitekerezo
I got the idea. Are you okay?
uzi impamvu yawe no kwigitekerezo umeze neza musore
Kafji.
kuri Kafji
Watching you go house to house, wishing I had a whole division of men.
kuko ubona ugenda muri Kafji urasa abantu nkakwifuza ko nkagira abasore bameze nkawe ku rugamba narakubonye urasa abantu wakanejejwe n'ibyo wakoze uyu musore yari umuhanga ku rugamba wakabaye warapfuye wowe wabonye ibyabaye ku rugamba byari amahano ahambaye
Friends being sent home in a pine box.
inshuti zacu bazigaruye ziri mu masanduku ku rugamba
If there's a better way.
naje kuvuga ati hari ubundi buryo bwiza
And look what we created.
nibwo naje kureba bino twaremye bimeze nkawe yagiye arwana urugamba akabona abasirikare ukuntu bapfa bikamubabaza
Don't you think your country deserves
ese nukeka ko igihugu cyawe gikwiye abasirikare bafite verisiyo nk'iyawe bameze nkawe nta yindi verisiyo imeze nkanjye cyangwa uyu cyangwa undi uwo ari we wese oya uyu musore aragiye kujya muri Yemen uriya mwishe none tugiye koherezayo abana bafite imiryango ababyeyi babo nibapfirayo abo bana nibapfa ababyeyi babo zababara
It's the terrorists that we're trying to kill, and you're going to tell me that's better.
Tugiye kohereza abantu kwica ibyihebe. Tugiye twohereza abantu bakoze nkawe byaba ari byiza. Ariko tugiye kujya twohereza abantu bafite imiryango, abana bapfire ku rugamba, ariko twohereje abantu bameze nkawe twagushishuyeho nta miryango bafite, nta muntu wabaririra. Nicyo umugabo ashaka. Nagiye nohereza abasirikare benshi bakajya ku rugamba, bakagaruka bafite ryahungabana ya ndwara bita PTSD. Abasirikare benshi muri Amerika bavuye ku rugamba bafite iyo ndwara PTSD, pre-traumatic stress disorder. Ndumva ari byo mu magambo arambuye bita PTSD. Abaganga ubwo bari kunyumva.
How many more me are running around?
Listen, ni bande bandi bameze nkanjye bari hano hanze.
There's only one you, Junior.
Harundi umwe umeze nkawe Junior.
He was a weapon.
Uriya yari intwaro, ntago yari nkawe.
You're my son.
Kandi uri umwana wanjye.
I love you.
Ndanagukunda mwana wa.
As much as any father ever loved you.
Ndetse nk'uko umubyeyi wese w'umupapa yakunda umuhungu we. Vie ngufashe wankozemo kopi y'abantu ndigishishwa barancishuye. We buretse. Aya irasa umuntu w'abandi.
So what the hell are we going to do?
None dukora iki?
Going to turn them in? They're not going to try.
Tumujyane kuri polisi, nitumujyana kuri polisi ntago bari mukatire.
We have to end this.
Reka tubirangirize hano tumurangize. Tazakora n'abandi.
Look at me.
Deba. Umugabo wengi impamvu yakoze abandi bantu kugira ngo habe igisirikare cy'abantu badafite imiryango. Nibazajya bapfira no ku rugamba hatagira ubaririra.
Something inside of yourself.
Wa mwana urashuye umugabo hari ikintu wabangije muri weho.
Never get fixed again.
Icyo kintu kandi wabangije muri weho ntago cyazigera gikira. Hari ikintu ukora kikazakuguma n'ikizigera gikira.
Don't.
Ibikora. Wibikora.
Let it go.
Bireke bigende.
Give it to me.
Mereza.
You don't want those ghosts.
Iyo mizimu ntago ushaka izagukurikirana nyizera. Umwishe wajya umurota. Uyu waramurasa ariko njye imizimu nsanzwe nyirota ntaribi. Umuzimu we nushaka uzantere. Mwishe benshi uyagiye ugira ngo hari icyo ntacyo mbega apfuye ntaribi. Ari njye umwishe ntaribi. We yamaze abantu arinze agira imyaka 50 yica abantu. Nta kibazo kibi no kubona umwana nk'uyu ari kwica no vuga ati wa mwana we. Tugareke kuri uyu ni Peterson. Abasaza n'inzoga kweri bo muri Amerika. Ufata fanta ureke inzoga utazabimbwa.
Surprised you give a shit.
Nongwe no kubona unyitayeho. Nago twakongera kuba inshuti.
You did let them try to kill me.
Kuko warabaretse bagerageza kunyica.
I want to see you drink yourself to death.
Ariko ibyo nago byatuma nanone nkureka ngo mbone wiyahuza inzoga upfe.
My lab's been dismantled.
Ya laboratoire bakoreragamo abantu bitaga Gemini bayihagaritse. Filime nk'ibitse bayite Gemini Man.
And Junior?
Nawe se Junior ari he?
He's untouchable.
Nta muntu uzongera kumukoraho.
No one will bother him.
Nta muntu uzamuvangira. Na rimwe.
And we checked. There are no more clones.
Ndetse n'abandi bantu bameze nkawe bahari, nta bindi bishishwa bihari, nta zindi clone zihari.
IG called. I'm looking at charges, but if I bury Janet, I can make a deal. She earned it. I'm really sorry, Henry.
Babarire Henry.
Take care, though.
Uziyiteho Derry Peterson.
And happy retirement.
Ndetse nawe uzagire kwegura kwiza. Happy retirement. Areguye. Uno nagiye kurigisa. Uzagire kwegura kwiza ariko nanjye nzigura tu. Nimbona nkomeza gukora filime nziza gutya nkabona icyumweru gishize mobile money dasona hari igenge ko nkabona umuntu Rocky undebye filime yawe ndishima. Ngushyiriro nk'imwe. Amwe ati imwe nago njya nyakira shyira hebye. Hakunino tugaruke hano. Ibyo bimaze kuba abantu mujye mwohereza amafaranga ndabashimiye mwese. Mwaryohewe n'akantu. Atazavuga ngo ndindashima. Turabazi. Abantu.
Congrats on the promotion.
Na felicitation bakuzamuye.
Well, after you, pretty sure I can handle anything.
Wa mugore nawe yaje yakununi yasigaye akora.
Just settled Burns' estate, scattered his ashes in the Caribbean. All I want to do now is put some good in the world.
Ubicyo nshaka gukora no gushyira ikintu cyiza mu isi gusa. Bisha ariko ndi mugabo. Genge mba numva nta cyiza nashyira ku isi. None se ko nubundi gakondo yacu ari mu ijuru. Ibyacu tubibitsa mu ijuru.
Oh, and I actually looked in a mirror the other day.
Wa munsi nirebye mu ndorerwamo.
Wasn't horrendous.
Naje gusanga nari namubiwe ndi bogari di capitale. Kumbe wa mwana DC Junior baje no kumwohereza ku ishuri asigaye yiga do asigaye ari mu maninja. Kiracyana ko nacyoreje kwiga kikaba kiri mu maninja. Bamwereje kwiga Junior. Yari akiri muto. Do. Jibura yasubiye mu buzima busanzwe. Ave muri buriya buzima. Ndetse ni fotokopiye neza. Ni korone. Ariko abibonye buriya baravuga ati uriya ni umwana we, turiya ni daddy.
What's this? This
Biniki.
You.
Uyu ni wowe? Passport.
Birth certificate. Driver's license.
Certificate y'amavuko.
Pretty good credit.
Aho wakuriye mbega ku buryo nta muntu wanamukeka. Bagiye mukorera ibyangombwa by'ipirano bashyiraho nyine baze umuntu nkuriya bakoze nagwa amaze ati wavukiye se wakuriye. Ngaha kubwire bisaba bahamuhimbire sasu yavuye kwa muhimbira passport cyangombwa cy'amavuko ibintu byose icyangombwa cy'ibusiribateri.
On a major yet?
Yeah.
Towards engineering.
Engineering.
Mwana ari kwiga ibintu byo kuzaba engineer.
If I were you, which I sort of
bafashe inzira baragenda ndetse umwana nawe yari amaze kurangiza akazi ashinzwe ndetse bamusubije mu ishuri ajye kwiga ndetse umugabo ndetse bari basigaye bamubanye nk'aho ari we papa we baranasa neza cyane. Man, iyo uvuze ngo uri kwivugana kandi uri kuvugana n'uri bushatse kuvuga iki?
Make some of those mistakes myself.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to say is I made them already so you don't have to.
Umva amakosa arata nakoze singira ngo nawe uzayakore kuko n'ubundi nari yakoze kandi turi umuntu umwe urumva nabaye nyagukoreye.
I'm gonna be okay.
Nzamera neza. Nzamera neza.
If you're okay,
nimba meze neza,
I'm okay.
Nanjye mba meze neza. Iyo meze neza nanjye mba meze neza. Iyo magambo yamubwiye. Wibuke bameze kimwe nyine n'umuntu umwe. Iyo meze neza n'undi ameze neza.
Years I'm gonna look like you.
Ese nyuma y'imyaka 30 nzaba nsa nawe. Nzaba nshaje nabi.
Hope you look like me in
ntabwo uzagira amahirwe use nanjye nyuma y'imyaka 30 sha.
60-year-old mature.
Cyafite imyaka 50 ariko ndi bogari ndakomeye ndi umugabo w'intarumikwa ndi inkwasha. Bafashe inzira barerekera.
Yeah. You telling me, fam? Yeah. Sindigikara kiziritse ku buzima ijoro n'amanywa ndahiga nkaramuka inzara irangi ikantera kubyuka ibyinshi mbona nkumirwa nkahigima ndigikara kiziritse ku buzima ijoro n'amanywa ndahiga nkaramuka inzara irangi ikantera kubyuka ibyinshi mbona nkumirwa nkahigima ukwezi ari Mutarama imyaka iri gushwana nkombe zirarengerwa ikiniga kiraniga natoye icyo kizinga naziraga kurengana story y'ikivunga uzakura bakumbuza ndaribwa kandi ndaru ndamedita ugasinda ni gute wangereranya imvunja z'umujinya zatumye nge nturika kumva ko ntazafata ntawe uzamara agahinda byose nziga kubitamira kumfana no kumfera ntibyambuza gukomeza nahuye n'inyaryenge nkiri muto nshakenge byose bimpa umwete ibyanjye byihorere n'ubundi ni birebire niba nkunze utsengere nese nicyo mbikiye ku byose ubu bikarishye ninde utarankatiye nabuze ibyo naririye nese nicyo mbikiye ku byose ubu bikarishye ninde utarankatiye nabuze ndigikara kiziritse ku buzima ijoro n'amanywa ndahiga nkaramuka inzara irangi ikantera kubyuka ni byinshi mbona nkumirwa nkahigima ndigikara kiziritse ku buzima ijoro n'amanywa ndahiga nkaramuka inzara irangi ikantera kubyuka ibyinshi mbona nkumirwa nkahigima umpaga karatasi n'agacapati mwami minsi n'imitinda ubuzima n'urusimbi fly high rest in peace nashyinguye izo memories nabaye mu bintu ukuri ndacyuririye imisozi ibyo nariye ndishyuye dusoza ibyo natangije bizi nkiri broke nkipusha amakushe nkuyemo akamaske mpereza detaye dusezeye iyo page fuck naguhubutse disrespect n'undi munsi you gotta pay the price wakinnye n'ubutazi nazanye na assassin umukobwa please now you have to miss me musigiye agapisi byose ni iby'isi hano si mu Misiri naje mpabwa briefing comeka akabatiri haru in the prize don't you tryna piss me of course you know ima fuck you twice ndigikara kiziritse ku buzima ijoro n'amanywa ndahiga nkaramuka inzara irangi ikantera kubyuka ibyinshi mbona nkumirwa nkahigima ndigikara kiziritse ku buzima ijoro n'amanywa ndahiga nkaramuka inzara irangi ikantera kubyuka ibyinshi mbona nkumirwa nkahigima yeah yeah
JJ, what you telling me, fam?
Baby Gashya.